listed yesterday, my lord. It was fixed, my lord. Regarding fixation of salary, man is retired on 31st March, my lord. And there's another for promotion also, my lord. So, my lord, may
Not today.
not today, my lord, 30 minutes.
27 you take it.
27.
Retiring on 31st. So urgency is there. 27 you 28.
Well,
30 minutes.
this matter may be taken up on 29, Malo.
What is those?
Well, the service matter regarding the school teachers, Malo.
No, what is the urgency?
There is urgency, these matters are
Matter,
in fact,
new matters.
no, right? It is a pending matter. Let it
Which
be.
year?
There is urgency because it was last listed on September 2025. Therefore, it is not listed. There is urgency, Malo. There is not getting the salary, Malo.
Milai diba hai. Ekalage diba. Same issues.
Malo, different issues, Malo.
Next week.
Highly obliged, Malo.
Kishore will continue.
May I please, Your Lordship. All right, I beg to mention this item for listing on 29th of.
All listing matters, give it to her.
May I please it? My lord, I beg to mention item number 59, my lord.
Why?
Contempt matter, my lord. Here we are going to file our affidavit today, my lord.
Mr. P. Have you informed the others?
My lord, my senior is appearing.
Mr. P.K. Bora, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 1 submits that he would be filing an affidavit on behalf of the respondent represented by him today.
My lord, today.
Also, accordingly, he submits that the matter be taken up. You want to file a rejoinder?
No.
I think so.
A date may be fixed, my lord.
Taken up, the matter be taken up on 11/5/2026. Prayer accepted. A prayer is not objected to by Mr. J. Abedin, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also, accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 11/5/2026.
May I please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 62, Lordship. I may be allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition.
Mr. Ardhar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he be granted 2 weeks time to bring on record a rejoinder on behalf of the petitioner to the affidavit filed by the respondent. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed.
Obliged.
Wait, please, my lord. Seeking adjournment with regard to item 56 on behalf of Ms. A. Bujarbura. She is not available, my lord.
A prayer is made on behalf of Ms. A. Buzarbur, Learned Counsel for the petitioner for an adjournment in the matter on account of personal inconvenience. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again after
Well, after 10th May, she is on leave, my lord. Leave note has
after
also.
3 weeks on a date to be fixed.
Date may kindly be given content. Deeply obliged.
Let me get also. And in item number 38, both the state and the private respondent has filed their counter. I need to some time to file my reply against the both, my lord.
Jay Patwari, rejoinder. Okay. 3 weeks.
So
Have
can
you informed the others?
Yes,
right?
I'm informed also. Can a date be fixed, man? Day please.
I beg to mention for withdrawal of a retribution, can it be on Mondays?
My lord, I beg to trouble this court for mentioning of items which are tagged to your lordship, my lord, 22, 23, 24, and 25, my lord. Surjit Soikia, my lord, the MPhil matter, my lord. 1009, my lord.
What do you want?
My lord, I pray for adjournment today, my lord.
22, 23, 24, 25. On the prayer of Mr. A. You are not there. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioners for an adjournment in the matter. Personal inconvenience?
My lord.
On account of personal inconvenience. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondent. So registry to list those matters again in the week commencing from 11/5/2020.
I'm grateful, my lord. I'm grateful.
2026.
I beg to mention item number 8, motion item. Kindly pass over the item for the day.
Why?
As today we are filing an application for amendment of the writ petition.
On the prayer of the Learned Counsel for the petition 8, registry to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, for item 45, 46, and 47, Your Lordship, I pray on behalf of Mr. Khatunia, Your Lordship. He is not well, Your Lordship. So,
45, 46, 47.
47, Your Lordship.
Have you informed the rest?
Yes, Your Lordship.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. N.J. Khatonia, Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education, for an adjournment in the matter on the ground that he is indisposed. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Registry to list these matters again after 2 weeks.
Lordship, may I fix a date, lordship? Some urgency is there.
on 13/5/2026.
Lordship, obliged, your lordship.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention one WPC for listing lordship.
All listing matters give it.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 4242.
40?
40, 41 and 42, my lord, take matter, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, this matter come up on appropriate basis, my lord. Since my lord review, my lord, judgment in which my lord is seeking review, my lord, passed by the Honorable Justice Ondev Sodhulas.
Okay. It is submitted that item number 40, 41, 42 and 42, 40, 41, 42. It is submitted that the above noted repetition, that item number, that WPC number 4/555/2025 and contempt case number 382/2025 has been listed along with review petition number 42/2026. Accordingly, it is prayed that the matter be listed before, directed to be listed before the appropriate bench. So, registry to verify the matter and list the same before the appropriate bench.
Lordship, deeply blessed.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, your lordship. My senior S. Chauhan is out of station on account of a family wedding. Your lordship.
Prayer is made on behalf of Mr. S. Chauhan for an adjournment in the matter.
Your lordship, may kindly fix the matter on 27th of April.
Can't
Your
do it.
lordship,
Will
the
not do it.
similar, your lordship.
Will
is
not do it.
Similar.
27th, it's difficult. Tomorrow it's a holiday. We'll not do it. Either do the matter today or take it
Similar-
after a week.
Your lordship, similar matters are already.
Can't help it.
listed.
Can't help it. Registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
May I please, lordship, in item number 50, lordship, we have filed.
50.
50, lordship. We have filed affidavit today, lordship. That may be called for, lordship.
You are appearing for?
Additional, lordship.
Respondent, your lordship.
No, there are 50.
50.
There are
In
two
fif-
writ petitions.
Lordship, in 7182/2025, lordship,
Okay.
the respondents have filed an affidavit that may be called for, your lordship.
No rejoinder is being filed.
Not required, your lordship. Lordship can dispose of.
You
the
want to call for it?
Yes, lord.
Lordship, I'm praying for listing of a review petition before your lordship.
What is that?
Pending, lordship, regarding to the selection of a head assistant in KRB College, your lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, I directed the matter be listed after Bihu vacation, your lordship. And lordship.
27-28 তারিখে নিদিবা তার পাইলে সব মে মানত দিও মুটটা আহিব লগা থাকে তেনেকা মাতা নাই দি কোনটো দি দে কোনটো 27 তাৰিখে নিদিবা কষ্ট হ'ব
Please, your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, they have filed a affidavit in opposition on 22nd of April, my lord. We need to file a rejoinder.
Forget that affidavit.
Hmm.
Forget that affidavit. Show me your right. Are you a dependent on the ex-government employee?
No, my lord, I am the cousin brother of that employee.
Cousin brother,
Oh.
you will have to show dependency. Where is your dependency? Where is your dependency? And show me the law that a cousin brother is entitled. And what is the benefit you are claiming? Service
benefit.
What is that service benefit?
Lordship, the gratuity amount, my lord.
Gratuity amount. And
And
are you a nominee?
No.
Are you a nominee?
that, my lord, I don't have.
No, you have not said anything. What is this? A old man is being projected before this court by way of this petition.
Lordship, he has been filing representations, my lord.
Forget
and-
it. Show me your right.
And the department has said
Show
that.
me your right. You want gratuity.
Lordship.
Show me you are a nominee. You're not even in the family definition of family. Then you will have to be a nominee. Right? Either you are a family member covered by that definition, 143, or you are a then
Let me. file my-
cousin brother.
No.
Lordship.
Show me the law, not today.
Your lordship,
Maintainability.
Let me file my rejoinder, my lord.
We ignore that affidavit. They have only said that they know that there is a wife and a daughter alive. That
Lordship.
much only.
Lordship.
We are ignoring that.
Lordship, they have stated that only by saying that they have the knowledge, my lord.
Forget it.
But no document has been placed.
Mr. Burwa, we hold that there is no wife, there is no daughter. Now show me your right to claim that amount. You are a stranger. Show me two things, that you were dependent on him or that your name was nominated by him. In his GPF account, in his gratuity, everything, you were nominated. This two you show me, I'm passing the order.
I need some.
No, today. This is the material that ought to have been there in the writ petition. It's not there.
File court lagisile.
Otherwise, we'll direct for a police inquiry in there, for registration by the CID. Who you are, we have to find out. We'll ask the government to place the matter before the CID or the CB or whatever it is. CID
He
investigate
placed
and
the-
give us a report in the matter.
Lordship, he has.
Because I have my doubts now of the bona fide of this man.
My lord, he has placed the required document, my lord. He has obtained succession also.
Succession is not in terms of the for the money.
With regard to estate of the deceased, my lord.
But if there is a wife, you have suppressed
Daughter
that fact.
also alive. Daughter also
Daughter
alive.
is also there. And in the service book, where is the service book of the man?
That I don't have.
Then what do you have? You have just come in and claimed the money because he is dead.
Lordship, what they have stated that he has a wife.
I told you I am not even giving cognizance to that affidavit. I'm not even recognizing that affidavit. Forget.
Documents required.
Show me your right. Your right must be there in law. Right? Law, the right will follow from Assam pension rules. You are not a, no, you are not a definition. You don't come within the definition of family. You have not projected yourself to be a dependent. You are not a nominee. Where are you coming in? Show me a decision that even in spite of this, it will be applicable. I'll pass the order.
But I need some time to obtain instruction.
2 o'clock. I'm only 2 o'clock.
Deeply
So
obliged.
can it be on the next week, Monday, my lord?
2 o'clock.
Lordship.
My lord, I may be allowed to withdraw this petition.
Very well. Miss S.B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petition after attempting to argue the matter at some length, submits that she be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition. The present writ petition has been instituted by the petitioner, praying for consideration of his case for appointment on compassionate grounds. It is projected that the father of the petitioner had died while working as an assistant teacher of Rangpur, Kali Unnayan ME School, had died in harness on 21/10/2008. It is seen from the materials brought on record that the mother of the petitioner, proximate to the time when the father of the petitioner had died in harness, had submitted an application on 9/1/2009 for appointment on compassionate grounds. The said application not being considered, she had approached this court by way of instituting a writ petition being 777/2009. The said writ petition was disposed of by an order dated 4/9/2009, directing the respondents to place the case of the mother of the petitioner before the jurisdictional DLC. The jurisdictional DLC on consideration of the case of the mother application submitted by the mother of the petitioner, in its meeting held on 19/9/2023 had rejected the same on the ground that the mother of the petitioner was underqualified. Also, it is seen that it is further brought after the dismissal of the application submitted by the mother of the petitioner by the jurisdictional DLC, the said decision was not assailed. It is seen that it is in the above background that the petitioner had thereafter submitted an application on 5/8/2024. Also, a member of the family of the petitioner, having already been considered for appointment on compassionate grounds and the same being rejected, it is not open to the petitioner to submit a subsequent application for the same very purpose. Also, however, Ms. S.B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, after attempting to argue the matter at some length, has submitted that she be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition. Prayer is not objected to by Ms. K. Fukan, learned government advocate appearing for the state respondents. Also, accordingly, in view of the prayer made by the petitioner, the present writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Lordship, the meeting has been scheduled on 27th and 28th of April. Your Lordship, may
Ms.
fix it.
Upadhyay, learned counsel
Sir.
for the petitioner, for the learned counsel appearing for the Assam University, Silchar, submits that the meeting of the Board of Research Studies, bracket Science, Roman and SSH, has been rescheduled on 27 and 28, 27/4/2026 and 28/4/2026. Also, in view of the development taking place in the matter, this court, the registry is directed to list this matter again on 4/5/2026. On the next date of listing, Ms. Upadhyay shall apprise this court about the decisions decisions taken by the said board pertaining to the grievance raised by the petitioner in the present writ.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. This is regarding compassionate appointment, my lord. My case has been rejected by the DLC as per principle 10 of the OM dated 1/6/2015.
Show me how your case is to be considered and why your case is to be done.
My lord,
2009,
2009.
you have survived for 17 years. No compassion left. Only thing is that you, by filing a writ petition before this court earlier, had helped a lot of people. So people will be happy about you, but in your case, we can do nothing. And rightly so. There was a rejection and the principle is there that once it is rejected and it is not considered for 2 years, it's gone. How can we now go beyond that?
But within 2 years, my lord, my case has not been considered.
And your thing is of 2009. Nothing.
And my lord, vacancy is available, my lord.
Somebody will get it.
Principle
worry.
10 is not applicable in my case. my lord. Principle 10 is not applicable because vacancy is available.
The decision of this court, what is that case? A compassionate appointment?
The Pavrato.
No. My Lord Justice Gogoi is
Achyut Ranjan Das.
Achyut Ranjan Das. Achyut Ranjan Das, principle number 10 will apply.
My lord, if the vacancy is not available, then principle 10, my lord. Vacancy is there.
We are not going into all those for a
The-
person who is claiming compassionate appointment after the death of the government servant in 2009 today. You are not.
My lord, in
We are
the,
dismissing.
and recently, my lord, Supreme Court judgment, my lord.
You carry it up on appeal. But the Learned Council, as consented to by the Learned Council for the parties, the writ petition was taken up for final consideration. The Learned Council for the parties were heard at length. Also, hearing concluded, registry to list this matter Mongol Bare for delivery of orders.
I've also, my lord,
Same.
same. my lord.
Same.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, we supposed to take instruction for
On
withdrawal.
the prayer of the Learned Council for, you want to withdraw or you want to argue?
We take the instruction.
On the prayer of the Learned Council for the petitioners, registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed.
My lord, name of SC Boardley University may be.
By reflecting the name of SC Bodoland University in the cause list for the response.
I'll have it. Copy that.
We're supposed to file an affidavit and say that
You
inform.
have not joined.
No, Your Lordship.
I'll file my affidavit, but that is the issue, my lord. Only one post in the district, but she has not joined, my lord, from since the my lord first litigation. This is the second round. We are facing difficulty, my lord.
No, your lordship, that is why they should have come up with an affidavit, your lordship.
Fine,
The-
but you are not showing your bona fides.
No, your lordship, I have
Okay,
come
fine.
before this honorable.
On the prayer of Mr. D. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, a last chance is granted to file an affidavit in the matter.
Yes, sir.
Registry to list this matter.
But he will give us only, my lord, 7 days time, it will be fine. I've got.
Or
that-
your-
On
your
4-5,
lordship- your
on
lordship-
4-5.
My lord.
Your lordship, after 7 days, your lordship may fix, but in the meanwhile, I may be allowed to serve the petition notice to the private respondent, your lordship. He will have to be heard ultimately. I will take dusty service, your lordship.
Registry to list this matter again on 8/5/2026.
Lord.
So, petitioner is permitted for considering the issue arising in the matter, comma, the petitioner is directed to serve a copy of the notice, serve a copy of the petition on the respondent number 5 by way of registered post with AD. By dusty mode routed through the registry of this.
Lord.
So, the interim orders passed earlier to continue till the next date of.
Lord.
We have protected you,
Lord,
but we have given a
lordship. But
rider
your
also.
lordship, I have certain difficulties, your lordship. That's why, your lordship.
We'll see.
Lord, obliged.
May I please, May I please, I beg apology. My lord, I could not appear in item number 6, my lord. I am for the respondent number 1.
No, we have adjourned. We have not passed any. They have taken adjournment only. They have only taken adjournment. We have not passed any.
Obliged.
Petitioner is praying for the intervention of this court, honorable court, for correction of the date of birth.
That was rejected.
Which was, yeah.
Have you served a copy on, where is ASCC?
No. D-Roy will be needed, your lordship.
Yes.
For us.
Where is the decision of the Supreme Court in the matter?
Yes, sir. There's Jigya Jadhav
Yeah, same thing. Yes.
versus CBC.
Yes. No. Yes, Mr. Roy. Oh, what are you doing? There may be some delay, but Jigya Yadav is there.
Yes. My lord, he rejected, my lord.
Fine. What is the ground for rejection?
Yes, my lord. My lord,
Jigya Yadav
yes, my lord.
will support him. And he has brought on record a public document.
Yes, my lord.
That is the birth certificate.
Yes.
And the birth certificate is not of recent origin. It is of 2000 itself.
Yes.
Then
My
how
lord,
can you ignore that?
yes.
Yes, Mr. Roy, what do you say?
My lord,
If it was of recent origin that it was done in 2025 and then made an application, then I would not have considered. But this is a certificate of 2000.
yes,
You dispute it, that's a different thing altogether.
yes.
But there is no dispute. You have been given time. Last time also. Oh, you have not been given time. Okay. But Mr.
BK Borua.
B.K. Borua, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D.K. Roy, learned standing counsel ASSEB. Mr. Roy submits that he be granted a week's time to complete his instructions in the matter. Also, prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again on 4/5/2026. 4/5 board in Zoom. Undina 6/5? 6/5/2026. Also,
6-5 delay.
Obliged.
let it happen since that first day. Last time you were not here. First day. On next day, we'll pass the order.
Obliged.
Keep a copy of Jigya Yadav ready. That's all. No, you keep it. Next day you get.
Obliged.
The light of Jigya Yadav, you can do that. A right to information.
May I please, lord? They're supposed to get instruction. My
we'll get
second appeal is
instruction.
disposed of.
Disposed of.
Not disposed of.
Who are you?
So I am the working as assistant teacher of the school.
Who are you? Context of this case. How are you connected with that?
Under section 3, lordship, under section 3, all citizens shall have the right.
Fine. The citizen who has raised that right, he should come before this court,
Yes.
not somebody else. And you see your
Oh, he's
para
my-
5. You show me, you come to para 5.
So
Sorry.
This case, we can consider only on the basis of the pleadings. Come to para 5.
Yes,
Show me this appeal where you have filed.
yes, that was lordship annexure,
Annexure?
annexure 6.
Show me. Show me where Gita Das has filed this. Gita Soikia has filed it.
No, my husband filed lordship.
Your husband is a different
It is
entity.
my father legal heir lordship.
Who is no longer in the world.
No.
He's
Lordship.
alive.
Oh, what? Show me. That
Yes, Lord. Section 3 lordship.
where is the authorization of your husband that he can to file this case?
So, sir, under the
Section 3. Okay, come to section 3. All citizens shall have right to information, no doubt about it. Rupam Soikia has sought information.
Lordship.
Rupam Soikia has not been given information. A grievance, qua Rupam Soikia, this court will recognize.
But so
Who is gay?
Because other also lordship, the commissioner of the RTI Act lordship, it is their duty to give the information.
We are not concerned. This is not a PIL.
No.
This is not a PIL. We find no right of yours violated.
It's the right to have information is a fundamental right, lordship.
I'm passing my orders. You try it upon appeal. If Rupam Soikia is before me, I'll consider. And what are the statements made? Petitioner filed an appeal. Petitioner has not filed an appeal.
Yes.
Rupam Soikia has filed an appeal. And in the appeal, I've gone through all the documents. He is making that application on his own, not on behalf of Gita Soikia.
Lordship, since lordship, under RTI.
Mr. Deka, if this is the pleadings brought on record, and this is the retort you get from this court also.
Because the
You tell
document.
me, show me. We will recognize the right of Rupam Soikia, no issue on that. But we don't know who Gita Soikia is. This is the information for consumption by Rupam Soikia.
Yes.
It's true.
And everywhere you have said, petitioner has gone. Only in one paragraph. In para 3, petitioner filed an application through her husband.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, that is not reflected.
No, Rupam Soikia is her husband. Lord.
Maybe, but Rupam Soikia is a different entity. This is not with some matrimonial issue that she has made something. Rupam Soikia is a citizen. Gita Soikia is a citizen. Their being husband and wife is coincidental.
But there is no such a bar lordship to
But
get
there is a bar.
information.
You satisfy me, there is no bar.
The next week.
Today.
Let me have some time to go to.
And you told me, you don't have time. We had time. We went through. We'll pass our orders. We'll say this is, you have no locus here.
Oh, section 3 lordship, since there is all
Citizen. So tomorrow, Mr. Deka will make an application. Ms. Kumar will come and file an application. Mr. Deka had made this. Is not considering, what do you call
At
that?
the same time, it is the statutory duty of the authority. They have
You
to
file an FPL for that. Go and file a PIL.
that aspect. also
You
have to
go and
consider-
file a PIL for that purpose. I'm only asking the locus of Gita Soikia.
What's up the next one? I'll check.
No,
Find out.
today. Yes, Mr. Bhattakur. Under the RTI, say I made an application seeking some information, but the information has not come. Then my wife comes up before this court saying that my husband had sought some information. I'm not giving. Why? Is that maintainable? It will be qua the applicant, cannot be anybody else. And your whole writ petition is wrongly projected. That the present wife
Lord.
has made the application. Wife had never made an application. Wrong statement. It cannot be a, then it will be a dangerous situation. Anybody will walk into this court saying he has, because now this is, RTI applications are normally made on behalf of somebody else. So we'll try to legalize that now. Thank you, Mr. Voter.
What's the next week? I will set it.
Today. If you want some time, you take some time, we will have it after some time, no problem. After some time.
Lord.
Who is appearing?
I'm appearing for that purpose.
What is this you are doing?
At that time, he was not walked.
Show me the law. You terminated him because he was convicted.
Yes.
Then you instituted a proceeding against him, a penalty of withholding of 1 increment. That was also subsequently withdrawn. Period of suspension regularized as on duty.
Yes.
So this dismissal goes because he's been now acquitted. He's not found blameworthy. Total period gets regularized. That's your case. And what is this sermonization being done by your inspector of schools? Show me the law with regard to para 5 of page 82.
81.
I think we should ask her to come and explain to us here.
My lord, let,
What is this language she is using? She's an inspector of schools. Literally saying that let the courts pay her. We will not.
my lord, let me
We will
obtain
pay.
the instruction.
No, and
regarding-
ask the legal service authority to pay and we'll recover it from your inspector. Heard Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. U. Sharma, learned planning counsel, secondary education department. Mr. U. Sharma submits that he be granted time till 11/5/2026 to complete his instructions in the matter. Mr. Sharma shall address this court with regard to the reasons assigned by the jurisdictional inspector of schools in the order dated 20/25 towards rejecting the claim of the petitioner hearing for being authorized his due salaries for the period wherein he had to remain out of service on account of being dismissed, on account of being imposed with the penalty of dismissal from his services on being convicted in a criminal proceeding. The criminal proceeding, however, had resulted in his acquittal, and the petitioner was also reinstated in his services. The period of suspension of the petitioner was also regularized by the Director of Secondary Education Assam as
Deemed to be
on duty. What's up? However, in view of the prayer made by the Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, registry is directed to list this matter again on 11/5/2025 to enable him to complete his instructions.
Extra copies may be furnished to
Give him one copy.
of the.
Heard Mr. U. Dr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard anything to say?
No, Lordship.
As for Learned Counsel, Learned Standing Council,
Elementary.
Secondary,
Elementary, Lordship.
Elementary Education Department. Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Ms. Ko accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4. No formal notice, every also. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by speed posting. Also, steps within 3 days. The issue of maintainability of the present petition on the prayer of Ms. Kaur, the Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education, the prayer.
Elementary, Lordship.
Issue of elementary education. the issue of maintainability of the present writ petition is kept open. There is a last line in the earlier order.
Yes, yes.
That may go against it. Anyway, you have it. Let's see. Yes, who is appearing? Yes, Mr. Pegu. You have accommodated him. Why are you not paying him? Where is your order of accommodation?
My lord.
55.
Lordship.
Yes, yes, yes. Who is appearing? Yes.
My lord, I have to take instruction. My lord.
Okay. Heard Mr.
DK Burma, my lord.
D.K. Borua, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. G. Pegu, learned standing counsel, Elementary Education Department. Mr. Pegu submits that he be granted time till 15/5/2026 to complete his instructions in the matter. To facilitate completion of instructions by Mr. Pegu, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall furnish a copy of the writ petition to him a copy of the writ petition. Oh, sir. Registered to list this matter again on 15/5/2026. See, you regularized it.
Yes,
Now, the period November, December,
January.
January. And this is done by finance approval. So there is no issue of this first salary thing here. 3 months only he is claiming. And you see this poor man has to file writ petitions. Why?
Petitioners are
We'll examine. Heard Mr. A. Ganguly, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. P.P. Dutta, learned standing counsel, secondary education department. Secondary.
Lordship.
Issue notice returnable 6 weeks. Petitioner, Mr. Dutta accepts notice on behalf of.
Lordship.
Oh, no. Who is the government advocate? You will be. Ms. Court, learned government advocate accepts notice on behalf of respondent number
No.
1.
And finance also. Finance also. No, finance also.
Mr. P.P. Dutta, learned standing counsel. Secondary education department accepts notice on behalf of 2,
2, 3,
3,
and 8.
and 8. Why have you made this secretary state level recruitment commission, chairman state level recruitment commission?
Not
You
necessary.
have already been recruited. Mr. Who is there for finance?
Name to show one.
Mr. A. Cholia, is he available today? Huh? Mr. A. Cholia, learned standing counsel, finance department accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 4 and 5. While Mr. B. Chaudhary is the standing counsel, SLRC, I suppose. While Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, SLRC accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 6 and 7. No formal notice, huh? So and so. Registered to list this matter immediately on completion of 6 weeks from today for administrators.
Public.
As all the respondents are represented, no formal notice.
Extra copy which are.
The petitioners are left out of provincialization because the MA degrees could not be verified. Subsequently, these were verified when a proposal was sent, page 93.
But that nothing has
been done there.
Yes, Mr.
Notice.
Heard Mr. M. Let him get his instructions. Yes, Mr. M. Heard Mr. M. Dr.
Lordship, may I point out one thing? Some amendment may be required to this first title. Lordship.
What are
That arraying the respondents, Lordship, serial number 1, 2, 3 is missing.
No, that
has
should be
been
paid.
corrected.
Then I am appearing for 1, 2, and 3, Lordship.
We are not issuing a notice. You get your instructions. Why should we issue notices here?
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. M. Dr. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A.R. Tabilda, learned standing counsel, higher education department. Considering the nature of the issue raised in the present petition, Mr. Tabilda submits that before issuance of notice in the matter, he be permitted to complete his instructions. Also, prayer accepted. Mr. Tabilda shall complete his instructions and apprise this court of the stand of the respondents in the matter on. We are giving you time till 15/5/2026. Registry to list this matter again on 15/5/2026 for motion. আমার পুনা না Yes, who is appearing? M.A. Mondal, G.I. Mondal, Eldar. This is against Royal Global University. How is it maintainable here? All piece of money. No, itu. দুটা একে কোনসা They are entitled as per your that decision, cabinet decision.
My lord.
Where is that?
Right now, not. Let in notice, my lord.
Heard Mr. N.J. Medi, Lana Council for the petition. Also heard Mr. B. Talukdar, Lana Standing Council, Secondary Division. Elementary Division Department. Mr. B. Talukdar, Lana Standing Council, Elementary Education Department submits that a matter be taken upon 18/5/2026, by which date he shall complete his instructions and apprise this court of the stand of the respondents in the matter. There is a decision, cabinet decision in the meeting that all these people who have the DLED training will be given the will be accommodated as teachers.
My lord.
If that be so, why should be? You inform, keep on poking him. It's produce that on the next. He'll forget.
Obliged.
Time being.
The petitioners are your lordship claiming concern, your lordship, based on their service, your lordship.
Who is appearing for Dima Hasav? You were appointed, regularized everything by Dima Hasav.
Lordship Demahas.
Who appears for Mr. R. Das?
Lordship Das normally appears, your lordship.
Can you get him?
Lordship.
We'll issue a notice.
Lordship.
If you're tied up, ask him to
Lord.
Mr. Sokrat.
Lord.
21 to 2. 60, I would. Yours is the next one.
May I please?
Yes.
Mr. Petitioner.
Section 4(3).
Sir.
Craft teacher, minimum 10. Now you have brought before my eyes page 49. It's only 5. Yes, Mr. Sama, what do you say?
Here, my lord, minimum enrollment is not there. And moreover, my lord, in 2011 Act also, in 10, her name was not appeared.
But he is not claiming 2010 also.
Yes, and 2017 also, my lord, 60% is required.
Have the book.
Lordship.
See page 115 or section subsection 2(4) of section 4. সেইটো নাই fraud কোন গ'ল?
Yes.
So, madam, how can we help you here? Because on your own showing, last 3 years, we'll consider 2016, 15 and 14. You don't have it. Even if I take into consideration 17 also, 17, 16 and 15, still you don't have it. Miss Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And it's that the matter be taken up again on 8/5/2026 to enable her to receive further instructions on the matter. You try.
Okay.
Okay.
Ultimately, lordship, that notification was challenged in the single bench before the honorable single bench. That was dismissed. That was put to challenge before the honorable division bench, and the honorable division didn't interfere with that notification. He's allowed the authority to continue with that and carried out the lordship exercise. And there's an observation in page 80. Lordship may kindly peruse this order of the honorable division bench, lordship. On the same ground, he has challenged that notification 17/9/2025, lordship, in the first prayer. Page 80, lordship may kindly turn to.
My lord, in that case,
Page 80 of the last paragraph, there's a reference observation by the honorable division bench, lordships.
This writ appeal was filed against which order?
Against the ordered lordship in against the WPC number 3795 of 2025, it was ordered
What was the challenge there?
a challenge that specific notification dated lordship 17/6/2025, whereby the director has issued an sought some 6 numbers of lordship documents, including the UDAS, for verification whether they were in service
Page
prior to
118, my lord.
118.
Yes.
Now, where is the order?
My lord, which order?
No, the order against which this writ appeal was filed.
That he has not annexed here, lordship. Just
Who had passed that order? Which court?
My lord, now it's division bench.
No, before single.
Honorable Justice Bosik,
Possibly.
with a cost of 10,000 rupees, lordship.
That is
Yeah.
what. Yes, what you have already.
My lord, in this appeal, it has on the regarding mandatoriness of the UDAS is not considered here. If your lordship will look at that,
When come to
whether it is mandatory at that time.
where page 75, where is that document? 75, you said.
$75 of the order, my lord.
17/6/2025.
At page 118.
And the verification process, lordship, was initiated in terms of the direction by the Honorable Supreme Court, lordship, in the Kosikdas versus the State of West Bengal, lordship. There was a direction that to give appointment, it should be verified
There are
whether they were in
contradictory
service or
judgments
not.
from the another high court also, my lord.
So page 118 requires the UDICE code.
Yes.
So this order recognizes that, has
But-
considered that also.
But it was not considered. If you lordship, we will look at page 80 of this order, my lord, this appeal order, my lord. So it just says, not page 80, sorry, my lord. Yes, page 80. Thus, with such undertaking by the applicants, we consider that this appeal and the interlocutory applications ought to be closed, obtaining the judgment impugned in this appeal in its entirety, with the only caveat that applications of the appellants/applicants shall be verified by the state on the basis of the documents furnished by them, and if some of the documents demanded by way of notification dated 17/6/2025 are not furnished, the same will be verified from the state records database, and in the event of the rejection of their
Okay.
applications.
If you don't have a UDICE code with you,
Yes,
that can be, you are not given a UDICE code. say.
yes.
That can be taken by the state from the
State,
data.
yes.
If the data it's not there, from where will the state take it?
But here my case is different, my lord. My case is that whether UDIS was mandatory at that time or not,
don't
and
know.
that asking for UDIS is
Given
bad.
Given the nature, the background of this 18 months thing,
Yes.
this is a minimum requirement the state should.
But yes, but
That
my
many
lord,
people have come in without even having that. That was for in-service teachers.
Yes.
Yes.
So some certificate from somewhere was procured. There are gallows, there are cases, criminal cases pending.
maybe my lord.
So if that be so, we will not support it.
But my lord, regarding the other documents which has been sought for by notification dated 76/2025, that accept the UDIS code, we are ready to give all the documents, my lord.
You
But
need to be
UDIS
ready.
was not mandatory that time.
Mr. Deka, you not giving, the state is not losing.
Yes.
The state, there are hundreds left
My lord.
who are also eligible for this purpose, who fulfill anything,
Yeah.
everything without any controversy. Why should
Even
we,
this
we derail the whole process for a few people like you?
And we have given more than
Already they have appointed. There is no question of derail also. And my
Heard Mr. B.M. Deka, Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. S.M.T. Sisti, Learned Standing Counsel.
7 minutes of the judgment matter regarding UDIS.
it was discussed but not considered.
Considered my lord.
Oh, Mr. Deka has come with a big petition.
Yes,
Let's have that satisfaction of a notice at least.
Yes, yes.
And here my order. So and so, so and so. Heard Mr. S.M.T. Sisti, Learned Standing Counsel, Department of School Education appeared
1,
for
2 and 3.
respondents number.
1, 2 and 3.
That's the school education. You are also appearing.
No, no, no.
Issue notice, returnable. 6 weeks.
My lord, sorry, my lord, similar matter has been already pending and that has been fixed on 13th of May, my lord.
We are not fixing it.
Maybe tagged with that, my lord.
So and so. Registry, Mr. Sisti accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2 and 3. So no formal notice is to be executed. Petitioner to take steps, however requisite extra copies of the petition to Likiriba. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent 4 and 5 by way of speed post. Also, steps within 2 working days. The issue of maintainability of the present petition raised by Mr. S.M.T. Sisti is kept open.
My lord may then pass same order in tune of that appeal order, my lord, then. That is also covered, my lord.
We'll examine this.
My lord may be tagged with that. Otherwise,
let it come.
all will be come together, my lord, then. Exactly identical matter, my lord.
You make a mention when that is coming, this will also come up.
Yes, yes.
Not always, my lord.
Do you think Mr. Sisti is going to file the affidavit by tomorrow?
No, we'll file it by next week.
Next day, they will not file. Definitely. Not always, my lord.
No, we'll file.
Mother.
Two lots. I have 2 lots.
My lord, I'm sorry, when the matter was called up. my lord.
How is this maintainable? How can a writ be issued against Royal Global University, the private university?
The university comes under the higher education department of the.
No, it does not come. Show me. It comes under the higher education department.
It is the university, my lord,
Which university? Royal Global.
Assam Royal Global University, my lord, as per the Assam Royal Global University Act.
It's just an act. It
Passed
only
by the
is
state
governing that. It's not a state university.
It is passed, the act
So,
was,
council, you have the UGC Act. This is not a state university.
it is not the
It's
state
not a
university.
state
It is
university
act-
set up by the government of Assam.
my lord, earlier, one litigation arose, my lord, against the CMJ University, that was at Shillong, my lord. Several cases were.
No, don't bring in CMJ University. Somehow it is close. We are.
No, CMJ University Act that was also passed by Meghalaya, my lord, instead of Meghalaya. The same thing, my lord.
Show me how this is maintainable.
Here, my
Show me
lord,
that the government has deep and pervasive control over the Royal Global University activities.
the Assam Royal Global University Act that was passed by the state legislature, my lord. First thing. Second thing.
Will that by itself bring the university?
Yes, my lord.
Make it a state?
It's a statutory authority.
Show me a decision.
They, since they.
Yes, you are controlling Assam Global University.
No, my lord.
This is a, my lord, the state, my lord,
You have something to show me or I'll dismiss it.
no, my lord, let the matter come on Monday.
No,
my
no,
lord.
no.
Otherwise,
Today you are here.
serious
Today's
matter, my
motion,
lord.
you should be
My lord,
ready.
the petitioner, my lord, he is a very meritorious student, my lord. Or,
We are not concerned with the student now. We are concerned with the maintainability of the writ. It's an internal action between the university and the student. We have got nothing to
my
do.
lord, what happened, my lord?
St. Mary's School. Decision of the Supreme Court in St. Mary's School will clearly apply.
St. Mary's is a different thing. Because the St. Mary's school, it is not established under any act of the, either the Union of India or the state of Assam, my lord. It was, my lord, it's a missionary
Merely because that act,
It
UGC
is an-
act to some.
The act was passed by the state of Assam. It's an statutory authority, my lord.
It is not.
Ultimately, the university authority is the statutory authority of the.
This is an internal action of the university,
Yes,
got
madam.
nothing to do.
Yes,
There is no public element involved.
That action I'm challenging here.
Okay, I'll pass my orders. You make your submissions.
No, well, that internal order that was passed by the authority that I'm challenging because that order is arbitrary.
No, that is an order only within the confines. This has got no public. It's not in discharge of its public functions.
Yes, but any authority.
Show me.
Let me, only 1 minute submission, my lord.
1 minute. Okay, 1 minute.
Only 1 minute.
1 minute. It is, okay, start.
My lord, the petition was rusticated from the university without issuing any show cause notice, without hearing the petitioner, my lord. The only issue is on 24th of March, my lord, when the petition was coming out from his practical class, he was assaulted by a group of junior students, my lord. Then, my lord, some fellow student came and joined him, my lord. Then, my lord, even the petitioner also received injury. He was admitted in hospital also, my lord. Then FIR was lost from both the sides, my lord. At the intervention of police, both the sides, my lord, withdrew their FIR, my lord, and amicably settled the matter, my lord. Now, on the same day, my lord, the university authority must suspended the petitioner from the university, and on the, my lord, next day, on 27th of March, my lord, petitioner was rusticated from the university without hearing the petitioner or even issuing any show cause notice, my lord. At least the authority, my lord, being a statutory authority, established under the Act of Assam, state legislature, the state of Assam, my lord, they should act according to the, my lord, principle of law, my lord.
So 1 minute is over.
So,
But you have not shown me anything.
so
How
since
the control is there.
Since the authority acted, my lord, without following the principle of natural justice, my lord, that act is arbitrary, my lord. At least I ought to have been heard. And the petitioner is a final year student, final semester student, my lord. He is a very meritorious student. Securing, my lord, more than 90% of mark from
That we have seen.
matriculation, my lord.
That we have seen.
This is not the way, my lord, the petitioner can be rusticated from an university, my lord. Even my parents also, my lord, requested the register, my lord, and register, my lord, he assured them that to think over the matter.
We'll take it up. The UGC Act is not there. We'll take it up. If you get some decision, show me. Others, I'm dismissing the writ.
My lord, on Monday also.
Today.
My only submission is arbitrariness. that is the authority.
My question to you is with regard to maintainability.
Yes.
These are on
Is there
merits.
State Act.
Okay.
Assam
You
Royal
have made
Global
your
University
submission.
is
We'll
the
pass
act
orders.
passed by state
We'll pass orders.
My lord.
We'll have it in the second half.
My lord. Apologize.
Yes, Mr. Nair, you are a university standing council. Will a university which is created under 2F of the UGC Act will also be a state within the meaning of Article 12?
My lord, the BCCI judgment may be seen.
It will not be.
Fine.
You work on it, get something. Oh, yes, 18, item number 18.
Same case, my lord. Total 4 students were rusticated, my lord.
Okay.
This is the second petitioner. He is from Shillong. The other 2 students, they are not before lordship.
Your lordship. But here in this case, your lordship will find, my lord.
Why is Mr. Sen so sober today? Normally, Mr. Sen is exuberant. Is it the reflection that the case there is nothing, or Mr. Sen is not keeping well? It cannot be any other thing. Did you participate in this election process?
No, my lord.
Do you have the qualification?
Yes,
Where? What qualification do you have?
PhD, my lord.
PhD. Where have you stated?
Yes.
Then why did you approach this court in the last round of litigation?
At that time, he didn't have qualification. At that time, he didn't have qualification.
Did not have qualification. When was the advertisement issued?
Advertisement, my lord, your lordship will find. Annexure 9, my lord.
Annexure
Annexure 7.
7. Oh, this is the letter giving a directing you. Where is the actual?
That notification is not. This is the letter we have received from the director, my lord.
So, when did you get your PhD?
Annexure 5, page 30, my lord.
Then why did you project before this court in the earlier round of litigation that you did not have the qualification?
Because one of the criteria, my lord, was 15 years of service as associate professor.
That you don't, admittedly don't have.
That, my lord, that perhaps
Okay, fine.
I was not having.
So this is now covered by the Act of 2005. You were provincialized recently.
2014.
14.
Right.
So you naturally will not have it. So you have been kept out. There is no error.
But the appointment letter that has been issued, my lord, page 46. Lordship, kindly see, my lord. Kindly have a look, my lord, page 46.
Yes.
My lord, this appointment letter is issued on certain conditions. Number 1, my lord, may I read? If the resolution of
That
the
is just a caveat made by them. Nothing more. That if the resolution of the governing body is erroneous, they will interfere. That is a caveat made by Mr. Das.
Correct.
So that they don't have any problem tomorrow.
So now, my lord,
That will not give you any.
Let me demonstrate, my lord, where the error is.
Please show me.
Yes. Now, my lord, what has happened? Paragraph 15, my lord, lordship, kindly see.
15. Yes.
My lord, the governing body, president.
Oh, those are, Mr. You are a candidate, you want to be in the body, will not permit you. You show me your qualification. You were the secretary in charge there. The meeting was convened without reference to you.
My lord, I being
In
the
a selection
secretary,
wherein you want to participate,
My lord,
can you be also the,
I being the
you
secretary.
go and file a
Secretary.
civil suit for that.
No. My lord, I being the secretary, my lord, law says, my lord.
A law, let
o-
law, what
order-
does law say?
My lord, rule 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, my lord.
Of which rules?
Of Assam non-government college management rules 2001.
Read, what is 15?
Yes. My lord, 12 says, my lord, lordship kindly similar, 12 subclause 2, a meeting of the governing body shall be called by the secretary. First of all, it has to be called by the secretary, not by the president. Consent of the, with the consent of the prior consent of the president, if it is
Mr.
not.
Then, that is in a situation when there is a regular principal in place. A regular secretary is in place. Now you are a candidate for the selection process. How can you be involved in that consideration of that?
No, I am not a candidate, my lord. I am principal in charge of that
So
particular.
you don't want to be a candidate. You
But
don't want
I
to
did
be a
not-
candidate.
I did not participate. So the question of
Okay.
being a candidate, my lord,
Okay.
does not arise, my lord. What I
Okay.
am saying, my lord, the meeting that was held, my lord, in violation of Rule 12, Rule 13, Rules 15 and 16 of the
Dekha.
Assam non.
Okay, fine. We got it. Anything to say?
My lord, may I place one thing? In earlier several occasion also, my lord, petitioner has approached this honorable court at that seeking, my lord, absorption. In here also, my lord, petitioners seek absorption as a principal. Then the honorable court held that the post of principal is a direct recruitment post. And my lord, if my lord see the last para, it says that whenever the petitioner gets the eligibility, he can always participate. Para 12, my lord. You would have a right to participate, my lord, in the advertisement. Now, he does it.
No, his case is that he was the secretary without asking him, without he calling a meeting.
My
The
lord,
whole
here
thing
is
has gone. That we will not.
my lord. He is unnecessary because that was
That is not a-
intentional, my lord.
Intentional.
Intentional.
My
To
lord,
hold the post.
Still rejected.
Lordship, my lord, in my absence, my lord, the law says, my lord, the secretary is to, my lord, record the proceeding and, my lord, the communicate to the director.
That is the only point. No other
This-
point. We are taking it up. We'll dismiss it.
This
We'll
is,
reject.
this is the, my lord,
Dekha,
violation
Mr.
of law, my lord.
BK Sen, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Das, learned standing counsel, higher education department. Mr. BK Das at the outset has submitted that he is not he is not presenting a challenge to the appointment of the respondent number 6.
My lord, I am
As the-
challenging.
Huh?
I am challenging the appointment of a responding number.
You just
That-
hear me out. As the principal of Kapeketi College, as a candidate, candidate desirous for being appointed in the said post. The challenge to the said appointment is made on the ground that the petitioner, being the in charge principal of the college, was the de facto secretary of the governing body. However, it is submitted that the meetings of the governing body with regard to the selection of the petitioner, of a selection of the respondent, leading to the selection and appointment of the respondent number 6 as the principal of the college, was so held by the by the president of the governing body without involving the petitioner here. That's all. You're not challenging it as a candidate. You say because my consent was not taken, so the whole thing is bad.
Not consent, my lord. I was not there due to my health issue, my lord. I informed. Beforehand, I have informed.
We'll
that
come to
please hail them, please convene. the
Mr. Sen,
meetings, my lord.
you are challenging it that the governing body meetings were held in your absence. You are challenging this election only on that point, right or wrong?
And therefore, my lord, the appointment letter that has been issued, my lord,
That is what I'm
violation-
saying.
Yes, in violation of the rules
Is
And as well as, my lord, the terms of the appointment letter that has been stated in the appointment letter itself. My lord.
this much only? Per contra, Mr. S. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that from the materials brought on record, it would be apparent that the petitioner at the relevant point of time after the Director Higher Education Assam had required the newly provincialized colleges to issue advertisement for recruitment to the post of principal on regular basis. The petitioner admittedly was absent from the school for reasons. Accordingly, the college authorities had proceeded to conduct the selection in question. So he submits that the said aspect of the matter is apparent from the communication dated 8/1/2026 issued by the president of the governing body of Khapekati College to the petitioner, wherein it has been highlighted that the petitioner was found absent in the college as well as in the special governing body meeting held in the digital room of the college on 8/1/2026 without any information. Also, accordingly, the petitioner was directed to show cause in his show cause. Mr. Das submits that a perusal of the reply submitted by the petitioner on 12/1/2026 would reveal that the petitioner had admitted his absence in the said special GB meeting held on 8/1/2026 on account of personal problems as well as problems faced by his daughter. The petitioner, it is projected, Mr. Das further submits that the petitioner had also contended that the matter was discussed with him by the president of the GB and had required the meeting to be convened on the next date. Also, Mr. Das, in the above aspect of the matter, submits that there being no allegation with regard to any deficiency and any illegality or irregularity committed by the selection committee in the matter of selection of the private respondent number 6 as the principal of the school college, and the same having been approved by the Director, Secondary Education Assam, the selection and appointment of the respondent number 6 as the principal of the college in question would not mandate an interference from this court on the grounds urged by the learned counsel for the petitioner. I've heard the learned counsel for the parties and perused the materials available on record. It is seen that the petitioner hearing was, it's seen that the college in question was provincialized. When was it provincialized? Under the provisions of the Assam Venture Education Institution (Provincialization of Services) Act 2011 with effect from 1/1/2013, wide issuance of an order dated 20/1/2014. Also, after provincialization of the college, the petitioner, being the senior most assistant professor therein, was allowed by the governing body of the college, was recommended by the governing body of the college to be allowed to act as the principal in charge of the college. Also, the Director, Higher Education Assam, accordingly, wide order dated 27/9/2021, permitted the petitioner to function as the principal in charge of the college for 3 months, that is with effect from October 2021 to December 2021, or till a regular principal is appointed. The said temporary arrangement made with the petitioner is found to have been extended from time to time, and the same was extended till 31/12/2025. It is seen that after 31/12/2025, there is no order extending the services of the petitioner permitting the petitioner, services, permitting the petitioner to hold the charge of the principal in charge of the college in question and as well as function as the secretary of the college. So, in view of the above, the selection process having been instituted and there being no dispute made by the petitioner that there was any irregularity committed in initiation of the process of selection after the director had required all the newly provincialized colleges to advertise the post of headmaster as created for the purpose in such colleges via a communication dated 9/2/2024. The only grievance with regard to the grievance raised by the only grievance raised by the petitioner is that a special GB meeting was convened on 8/1/2026 in his absence by the president of the college, and therein the recommendation for the selection committee's recommendation was accepted by the governing body of the college, and the same was forwarded to the director, Higher Education Assam, for approval. Also, it is seen that as on 8/1/2026, there was no order extending the service, permitting the petitioner to continue as the principal in charge of the college in question. Also, in view of the above position,
He was continued, my lord, till.
where is that order?
That order was not annexed, but
There is no statement also. Where is your statement?
It was continued from.
Where is that statement, Mr.?
My lord.
But there is no order from the court, my lord, allowing him to.
No. There is no order from the director also allowing him to continue.
There is no order, such order.
So, accordingly, on the said ground, the selection and appointment of the respondent number 6 would not mandate an interference from this court. So, it is reiterated that the petitioner has not presented the challenge to the selection and appointment of the petition of the respondent number 6 on any other count. It is also to be noted that the petitioner, on the date when the process of recruitment against the post of principal in Kapekiti College had been so initiated, was not eligible for applying against the said post. Also, in view of the above discussion, the present petition is found to be devoid of any merit, and accordingly the same stands dismissed. However, there would be no others. These matters should not be.
Obliged.
Huh?
number 4.
You are for?
Dibrugarh
Governing body.
Dibrugarh University.
Oh, Dibrugarh University. Miss
What?
Learned Council. Report लिखित ले हूँ Dibrugarh University, huh? As consent, considering the nature of the issue raised in the petition, first paragraph of which a challenge or as considered by the Learned Council for the parties, the present petition is being taken up for final consideration and is being disposed by this. Heard Mr. S. Gauhati, Learned Council for the petition. Also heard Mr. C. Sharma. No.
3, 5, and 6, Lordship.
One
I am not referring, Lordship.
Huh?
I am only for the education department, Lordship.
Who is for one then?
Mr. Anand Das, Lordship.
Where is he?
Lordship, I don't know. 3, 5, and 6. Education department.
You are appearing for?
3, 5, and 6, Lordship.
You take.
Yes.
Registered post. But you have not principal secretary how long? How will the notice go? But Mr. C. Sharma, you are as
Lordship, I am for Mr. R. Kaushik. He is representing the Education Department of NCLs, Lordship. He's the Standing Council of NCLs, Education Department NCLs. Lordship.
But Mr. C. Sharma, learned standing counsel, appearing for the Education Department, NC Hills. And Mr. R. K. Talukda, learned standing counsel, accountant general, and Mr. R. Borpujari, learned N. R. Borpujari, learned standing counsel, finance department, and Ms. S. Kaur, learned government advocate. Fine, huh? Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Mr. C. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the Education Department, NC Hills, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Sir Sharma, 3 and 5.
3, 5, 6.
3, 5, and 6, Lordship.
3, 5, and 6. Mr. R. K. Talukda, learned standing counsel, accountant general, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 7, while Mr. R. Borpujari, learned standing counsel, finance department, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 8. Ms. Kaur, learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 9. So, sir, no formal notice is to be issued. However, requisite extra copies. So and so Jitu has petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 1 and 2 through the standing council NC Hills steps within 2 working days from today. Also, requisite extra copies to put. Register to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date 2 weeks.
Public.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Hello. During the pendency of this petition, my lord, petitioner was reinstated already, my lord, and also retired also, my lord. Only grievance is that, my lord, the area seller is mine. May I start with the facts, my lord? My lord, petitioner, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, we are taking it up for disposal.
Lordship.
Yes, my lord. My lord, petitioner he was a founder teacher, my lord, of a school which was, my lord, provincialized. And petitioners, my lord, post was also provincialized, my lord.
The name of the school?
Initial school, my lord. Lordship may kindly have.
Arnibil.
Yes, Arnibil
Milon.
Milon LP School. And on 15/3/1995, Annexure 1, my lord, page 11, his school was Director of Elementary Education.
He was appointed in this school on 11/79.
Yes, my lord.
School was provincialized on
15/3/1995. Where his name was showing as founder teacher, my lord. Thereafter, my lord,
page,
my lord, 11, my lord.
Then?
Yes. Then, my lord, what happened? Although his name was showing as founder teacher, but his post was not provincialized at that time. And therefore, my lord, on 1995, CR number 4900/1995 was filed, my lord, before this honorable court. And honorable court, my lord, Annexure 2, page 17, on 8/3/1996, disposed of that matter, my lord, and directed.
School was provincialized, other teachers were provincialized, but you were not.
No, not only school was provincialized, but teachers was not provincialized.
School was provincialized.
Yes, only school was. And after the, my lord, High Court's order, my lord, on 16/12/1999, petitioner was appointed a regular teacher, my lord.
So civil rule number
4900/1995. Order is at page 17, my lord, annexure 2.
17.
My lord. Relevant is page 20. Last paragraph is important, my lord. Direction is dispose of the petition with a direction to second respondent, which is, my lord, the Director of Elementary Education, to make an enquiry as to averments made by the petitioners. And on the
Okay, fine.
enquiry.
Then what happened?
And then, my lord, lordship may kindly come to page number, next page, page 21. By this order, my lord, his post was, he was regularly appointed, my lord, which is scale, my lord. And also thereafter he passed the basic training also, my lord.
This was a stipendary.
Yes, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, on 27/6/2006, he was attached to another school, that Semthia-para LP school. And now, my lord, thereafter, what happened, page 30.
When did you complete your
Training I have completed, my lord.
no before 18/9/2020 2000?
Yes, yes. That was a part of regular, my lord, service, my lord.
Okay, then what happened?
Lordship, now, lordship, my lord, page number 32 may be seen, my lord.
No, you did not clear the
That
exam.
is not disputed, my lord.
Be that as it may, the law, when you are projecting the law, will follow it in this manner.
My lord, actually,
If the pension in the Panchayat department is not from the date of first initial appointment, it is only from the date of regularization. We are very fascinated by that concept. We are now applying it in your case here.
My lord, that is not
This
my
is
case.
contrary to law.
My lord, that is not my case.
5 years.
That is not my case, my lord. My case, lordship may kindly see page 32.
Then what happened? You were
Page
transferred.
32. Yeah, I have attached to another school.
Where?
My lord, page 31, my lord. Semthia-para LP school.
What was this unavoidable reason?
My lord?
What was this unavoidable? You were promoted as head teacher.
No, my lord.
Then reverted, degraded.
My lord, maybe because of, in the interest of public service, on his own request, the petitioner requested, my lord, because this school was nearby his house, maybe, my lord. Order is itself saying, my lord.
Then?
Page 32, my lord. Without giving any opportunity, this order was passed, my lord, without hearing, my lord. He was terminated. All of a sudden, my lord. And later, my lord, this was justified, my lord, saying that, my lord, some other backdoor entries were made, my lord, appointed, was made, and he was, his provincialized was also similar to that year, my lord. That is why they thought, my lord, he was also entered through backdoor, my lord. But my case is that my case was that he was provincialized, not regularly appointed at that time.
No, you're not provincialized. You are regularly appointed.
Yes, yes, my lord.
You were not provincialized.
My lord, my lord. Thereafter, what happened, my lord?
Where is that selection in before this? There has to be a selection because you are not provincialized here. There is no reference to the High Court order.
Yes. Yes.
And this is by.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, my lord, this order was set aside, my lord, by Honorable High Court, my lord. Lordship may kindly have page number 33. the impugn termination order was set aside, my lord, and he was ordered to reinstate, my lord. And after this order, my lord, on 12/1/2018, petitioner was reinstated. And on thereafter, on 30/6/2018, petitioner retired, my lord. Yes, 36/2018, my lord.
Now, what is your?
They have paid only from 12/1/2018 to 36/2018. Thereafter, my lord, no pension has been given yet, my lord. And they are saying, my lord, it's proposal, they are moving, my lord. But now my claim is, my lord, from 2000, the termination of order to 12/1/2018, they have to pay, my lord. Because of their fault, my lord, they have terminated, my lord, not from my fault, my lord. And for that, my lord, I want to.
You were reinstated on 12/1.
Yes, my lord. 12/1.
Where is that order?
Order, my lord, during the pendency of this case, my lord.
No, this case is of 19.
Sorry, my lord. Yes, 19. That order I have not annexed, my lord. Because that is not also disputed also, my lord. They are not disputing, my lord. My reinstatement as well as retirement, everything, they are not disputing. They have filed one affidavit also, my lord.
Affidavit, there is nothing.
Yes, they are saying, my lord, they will pay. After the arrear salary, they will pay. One more important thing, very important thing is there, my lord. I like to show. Lordship may kindly have page number 40. This is a translated copy, my lord. During that period, my lord, the petitioner was the only SMS teacher, my lord, because the school was a Boro medium, my lord. He was on the request of the headmaster, my lord, without any payment, my lord. He was teaching the students, my lord, his subject, my lord. So for this, my lord, I'm trying to submit, my lord, that he was not working any other department or any.
High Court order is dated.
High Court order is dated, my lord, 4/8/2016.
They took 2 years.
My lord, I know.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, as per information or intimation, Lordship, from the BTC government, Lordship, this person has been, the period 1/12/2008 to 8/2/2018. This period was regularized, but this was not treated as he was not work in that period. So he is not getting any salary in that period.
Regularize that period notionally for pension and pensionary benefits.
Lordship, Lordship, after this, after filing of this affidavit, Lordship, there are some instructions to, in the file, Lordship, wherein it has been stated that this person, may I read the paras, Lordship? The instant petitioner was reinstated in service as per Honorable Gauhati High Court's order, dated 4/8/2016, passed in so and so. Although the petitioner was reinstated in service on 8/2/2018 by order memo number so and so issued by the director of BTC, the petitioner got retired on 30/6/2018. Now thereafter, Lordship, sent proposal to BTC authority by letter number so and so in connection with condonation of service gap period, with effect from 1/12/2008 to 8/2/2018. In respect of the instant petitioner under Rule 66 of the Assam Service Pension Rules 1969 in connection with his arrear salary and pension benefits. Thereafter, Lordship, as per materials and records available to this end, it transpires that MD Nayabu Rahman was a founder teacher of Arnibil Milon LP School who got appointment as stipendary teacher initially at the rate of 900 per month with reference to the Government of Assam letter number so and so and Director of Elementary Education Assam order memo number so and so. As per the said Government of Assam letter order, it is crystal clear that the petitioner herein MD Naibur Rahman was appointed as a founder teacher on the strength of Director of Elementary Education Assam. Against 28 numbers of post of teachers from among the venture primary schools selected for taking over, out of which petitioner school Arnibil Milon LP School is there and were placed at the disposal of the District Elementary Education Officer Nolbari for considering their regularization of services as per terms and conditions laid down in the order. It was also
Why is this pension not being paid?
pension. You will get the pension, Lordship. Now,
He is not getting it from 18. Last 8 years. You are giving a provisional pension. That also you're not giving.
Lordship.
Okay, he is not entitled to salary. We will also say salary, forget it.
For
But
salary
that
part,
period,
salary part, I have given that judgment to the.
we will consider. That period has to be regularized so that he gets his pension and pensionary benefits. Ms. N. Chaudhary, learned, heard Mr. S. Dr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, some length. Ms. N. Chaudhary on the Learned Standing Council, BTC, has also made her submissions. Ms. N. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Council, BTC, shall on the next date of listing apprise this court as to how the period of service of the petitioner, period with effect from 1/12/2008 till 1/12/2008 till
8/2/2018.
8/2/2018. That is the period the petitioner had to remove out of service on account of his services being terminated by issuance of an order dated 1/12/2008 was regularized by the BTC authorities. She shall also apprise this court as to why the delay has of last the petitioner having retired from his services on retired service from his services with effect from 30/6/2018 on reaching the age of superannuation. Ms. Chaudhary shall also receive instruction as to why for the last 8 years the pension proposal in respect of the petitioner was not finalized and submitted to the Director of Pension, Assam, for disbursement. Right?
Lordship, Lordship, in affidavit, we have also stated that supplementary budget we have forwarded to the Government of Assam, Lordship. In affidavit, we have stated these things regarding benefit of
that is last 8 years
pension.
Do you get it?
I'll also take my lord instruction whether my client now received or not.
A registry to list this matter again on their 7/5/2026 for further hearing.
Lordship, I have given to judgment. Lordship may kindly consider that also, my lord.
We'll consider in the light of the facts.
My lord, my lord. I love lies.
Respondents has already filed their affidavit. So we need some time to file our rejoinder. Which time?
It is submitted that an affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 2 has been filed on 6/4/2026 and accordingly for 3 weeks time be granted to the petitioner to bring on record a rejoinder thereto. Registry, prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed.
This petitioner from 2000.
Yes, what is your, have you got in touch with your client?
Yeah, yes, Lordship.
Then what happened?
She is working as school mother for the last 25 years.
But that is not a civil post, that is not a, that is under some scheme.
No, Lordship.
Is it a post within the education department?
Yes, yes. Lordship would see their affidavit. Affidavit. The annexure 1.
That is the fixed pay.
Fixed pay 1050. For 25 years, she has been working.
She is not working against any post. Okay, argue. There is a latest decision of the Supreme Court, Madan Singh. Wherein it says Supreme Court has said that the appointments not being against any regular vacant post, following Uma Devi, you don't have any right.
Lord,
You can apply that.
But what has happened after the retirement of the earlier school mother, she was appointed, but she is working now there. I just wanted, because 1050 is Lordship against the service of nature of grade 4. It's really less, so I just wanted some increase, Lordship, that's all.
We can't do something which is beyond law. It's within the purview of law, yes. You develop your case, you make your arguments.
Yes, Lordship, I'll bring some judgment, because if she can be
yes, madam,
given at least minimum pay scale of that grade, Lordship.
My lord, the petitioner was appointed against my lord, temporary post, my lord. Without my lord post, my lord, how can she claim for regulation, my lord?
But the learner counsel for the parties, considering the issue raised in the present petition would require a deeper consideration by this court accordingly. Admit the petition, issue rule, registry to list this matter for hearing in the month of August on a date to be fixed by. Yes, Mr. Nair.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I retired as the principal of Bisnoy College in 2018. Nice name.
Oh, that will be very different because I don't know. But last time that we
What is the stand?
Well, actually, my lord, I require to file an affidavit, my lord, relating, there is a discrepancy relating to 4.5 lakhs. Two amounts were sent to the college from the UGC, and UGC is
You
requiring.
have not been given a non-liability certificate.
That,
No, my lord, not at all.
that two
And
amounts.
I retired in 2018. The 4.5 lakh which my learned senior is referring to, that letter was sent to me in March 2025. I had replied on the last date. I had placed before Lordships. This is a copy,
And
my lord.
also, my lord, UGC is not a party.
And I retired in 2018. Till now, my lord, in one pretext or another, they are issuing letters to me. I reply,
No pretext,
I
these
reply
two
every
amounts,
time, my
nothing
lord.
like pretext.
But my pension has not been released.
The college people seems to be very in love with you. Maybe for something good you did. Very good you did when you were in power.
My lord.
Repay time. Is that the case? Okay.
It seems so, but on the other side, my lord. The flag marks are my replies. And there are other replies as well, my lord. But for the past 8 years, my lord.
My lord, even in the college cash book, these amounts do not find mention, my lord.
Because the money was never released.
That's what he says, my lord. But your lordship, this is a letter, my lord, as latest as 22nd of April, my lord, to the UGC from the college authorities.
Just a moment.
My lord.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, what is the amount, what is the material you have to show that this amount was credited to the account of the college?
My lord.
This is not a cash transaction, it will be a.
No, no, my lord. It was account transfer or by banker check.
That the money was transferred when he was the principal.
No, no, I would like to place this letter. This is very latest. Actually, we are taking up this matter with UGC, my lord. Maybe, my lord, my friend will be.
We will not wait. We want you to show us that this amount was credited in the college account during the period the petitioner.
The instruction that I have received, my lord, there is no mention of those two amounts. But UGC is insisting that, my lord,
You will have to, if the UGC may insist 100 things. But if he is not connected with that, how can you?
No, during his time, it happened during his time.
Where do you
My lord,
get that?
my lord, that letter may kindly. আমাক ক্লেৰিফাই কৰিব দিছো ক'ত পইচা পঠিয়াইছো কেনেকে পইচা পঠিয়াইছো কাৰণ তাহাঁতি ইনচিষ্টিং টো মই তোমাক এফিডেভিটত দি দিম
You're getting a provisional pension.
Yes,
Yeah, he's
Lord,
getting that.
pursuant to orders of this court. And
Yes,
my
sir.
lord, they received the notice much earlier, but they have not bothered to file the affidavit, even in the affidavit filed by the DH, my lord.
DHC affidavit is on record.
It-
My lord,
it-
only
my
with
lord,
two
page
amounts, my lord.
103,
Only
my lord,
these
the
two
principal refers to the writ petition. But he did not, this is in 2024.
That is why I said the love for you.
My lord, my lord.
Mr. Goswami, this is too childish.
I understand.
Too childish. This is not a stand that a college will take. The college accounts, you have it with you. If the amount has been credited, you can always verify.
No, my lord.
Why?
My lord, no, my lord. The
If
account,
the UGC credits, it will be credited.
account statement do not reflect those amounts.
Then,
And that is why we are writing to the UGC.
sorry, but you can't put him on a hold like this. 55,000.
Now, my lord, unless, my lord, these utilization certificates are given, my lord, then, my lord, our further grounds will be
See,
stopped.
his
my lord.
case is that because of non-submission of utilization certificate at his, during when he was there, somebody earlier had not submitted it, college was put in the blacklist. It was blacklisted.
No, no, my lord, no, my lord, that is, no, so far as these amounts are concerned, my
No.
lord.
Then he got the utilization certificate submitted and then it was cleared.
Earlier part.
Mr. B.D. Goswami, learned counsel appearing for the Dudnoy College, has submitted that in view of non-submission of utilization certificates with regard to certain amounts stated to have been credited in the college account during the tenure of the petitioner as its principal, the no liability certificate, no liability certificate, was not permissible to be issued to the petitioner. Accordingly, his pension and pension proposal, accordingly, the final pension and pension proposal of the petitioner was not processed. On a query made by this court as to whether from the accounts of the petition of the college of the petitioner during the period he was holding the post of principal of the college, any amount was received from the UGC authorities, Mr. Goswami has fairly submitted that there is no reflection in the books of account of, in the bank statements of any such amount being so credited to the college accounts from by the UGC authorities. So, in the event there is no amount credited to the college authority, credited by the UGC authorities in the bank account of the petitioner of the college during the tenure wherein the petitioner was holding the charge of the post of principal, and against which non-utilization certificates purportedly had not been submitted, the petitioner cannot be held to be responsible for the same. It is seen that the petitioner had superannuated from his services on
31 May 2018.
31 May 2018, and thereafter his pension and pensionary proposal still date on the said plea raised by the college has not been finalized. Also, a final opportunity is granted to the college authorities to reconcile its bank account, and in the event it is found that no such amount has been credited in the accounts of in the college accounts in the bank accounts of the college, wherein such deposits from the UGC is so made, the college authorities shall issue to the petitioner his non-liability certificate along with taking requisite steps for preparation of the final pension and pensionary preparation of a proposal for this and prepare the pension proposal of the petitioner.
May I just place one thing, madam? We are taking up this matter with the UGC, madam.
We are not concerned.
Madam, they are insisting
So
on the
then
college authorities, madam.
You write it. If he is not, you go up, do whatever. Why should he be troubled for that? Why should he be troubled? You reconcile. I'm giving you another chance.
Your Lordship will kindly give us some time from that is clarification from UGC, madam. That is all, madam.
The set reconciliation exercise along with the preparation of the pension proposal in respect of the petitioner and also issuance of the non-liability certificate be initiated and completed by the college authorities on or before 22/5/2026. Registry to list this matter again on 22/5/2026. So on the next date of listing, Mr. B.D. Goswami shall apprise this court about the developments taking place in the matter, about the compliance with exceptions passed by this court here in above.
Madam, can I pray for just one more week, madam? Just in case by 1st of June, madam.
This is enough. Put a person.
No, only for this, madam. They are insisting on the
If
college.
it is not there, you forget it. How, if they insist, how can you make him trouble? You know it's not there. Declare it. That we have gone through accounts, there is no such deposit. That's the end of the money matter. And if there is there, you should have asked them, give me the particulars of the deposit.
That is what we have asked for.
Now.
That is the letter, madam.
Now.
No, madam. There are references given to the earlier letters, madam.
You can take back your communication.
Madam. Deeply obliged.
Will not pension matters, if there is nothing serious, we will not permit it. This is his rightful claim.
We understand it, madam.
Deeply obliged.
But you all seem to be in too much love with him.
My lord, there are issues.
That
It happens,
is
my
apparent.
lord. It happens.
apparent, my lord.
Most of the, a lot of money comes, my lord.
It's apparent.
These things happen.
Not funny, something else.
Your lordship is also aware, my lord.
This is
We handle enough
big
matters.
love affair.
Deeply obliged.
Much obliged, madam.
Or should I use the word love affair gone sore?
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I
sorry.
pray that this matter, if it could kindly be taken up at 2 p.m. Mr. H. Rahman, senior advocate, is supposed to argue the matter. He has gone for his prayers.
Hmm?
He has gone for his prayers, being a Friday. Basically, it's a regularization of the leave and pensionary benefits not being given.
This was listed 21-4.
Yes.
This is abandonment of service.
Yes, not abandonment.
Yes.
She had written to the college
She
authorities.
literally did not come back.
No, Lordship, she had written letters of joining. She was not allowed to join.
Those are just to pick
Medical
up this case.
Lordship, medical board was also constituted. She went to the medical board also. All that has taken place. Lordship, I had one more prayer. Due to bona fide mistakes, since the name was not reflected, I missed appearing in item number 20 for UGC. Respondent number 20. It was standing council UGC, so that is the reason I missed appearing in the matter.
Is there SCUGC?
Yes, Lordship. SCUGC was there. That is why I missed.
Doctor. PA.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, registered to list this matter after a date to be fixed.
Lordship, kindly, my senior has been waiting since morning. It's just that he went for prayer.
Second up.
Obliged, Lordship.
Regarding the area, your lordship also has had passed some orders in this case of it. On 26.
Yes.
As per the last order, my lord, we are directed to place the inquiry report, my lord. I have received, but and this report is not in a proper way, my lord. So kindly matter may be taken any other day.
Miss N. Forgot, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that for learned standing counsel elementary.
Elementary, my lord.
Submits that although an inquiry report has been submitted in the matter.
Findings is not clearly stated anything.
On a perusal of the same,
So-
she finds the same to be insufficient. She finds that the same is not in the proper form and accordingly
Yes,
prays that the matter be taken up on 18/5/2026, by which time a proper inquiry report would be placed before this court.
Deeply.
Prayer accepted. Registered to list this matter again on 18/5/2020.
Deeply.
Lordship, in this matter, will be filing an affidavit, my lord. In this matter, my lord, we haven't filed our affidavit as yet, my lord. Some time, my lord, will be given.
I'm sorry. You have heard the matter last time. Why did you not object that?
But it will be, I think, necessary, my lord, for the proper adjudication, my lord.
You have not cared to file it for 2 years. Yes, what to do?
Let me file the affidavit.
No.
Last chance, my lord. I'll ensure, my lord. I'm appearing for the first time, my lord.
Okay. You are trying to help him. Okay, help him. The matter was heard at length on the last occasion, and it was fixed today for affording the learned counsel for the petitioner to make further submissions. So, today, the learned standing counsel elementary education submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit in the matter. Such prayer was, however, not made when the matter was taken up for hearing on the last date of listing. So, however, a prayer for listing, filing an affidavit having been made, this court permits the petition of the respondents to file their affidavit on or before 8/5/2026. In the event the affidavit is not filed on or before 8/5/2026, such affidavit would be permissible to be so filed only on payment of a cost of rupees 25,000 to the before the registry of this court. Also, registry to list this matter again on 11/5/2026. The also The matter be not, 11/5/2020, 11, no, 14/5/2026. However, the affidavit, if so filed, should be brought on record on or before 8/5/2026 and the 8/5/2020.
Deeply obliged.
I was about to dismiss this writ petition. Matter be not treated as a tied up and or parted matter with this court any further.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, the petitioners are the proposed teachers for provincialization. After 6 years, the department said to him that your school cannot be provincialized on the ground that they did not hold any land. Whereas on several occasions, several representations were submitted and the possession certificate was also submitted before the authorities. But till date, no action, nothing has been done, Your Honor. And since the year 2024, the departments were taking time for filing affidavit, and till date, no affidavit has been submitted, Your Honor. That is my case only.
My lord, here I have a receive instruction.
You don't have land.
Yes, I have.
Owners, you're in possession of some land.
Yes.
It's not
the
your own land. Is it land
Headmaster
settled with you?
Yes, Your Honor, annexure D, page 26, Your Lordship.
Oh.
That
This is-
certificate is very clear. That was given in the year 2014. That the school is in possession of 4 bigha, 4 kattha, 8 lessa land covered
That
by.
land is recorded in your name.
Yes, that is the name of the school, Your Lordship.
Fine.
Then where is the lacking, Your Lordship? The department are not taking any action. It's been a long time, Your Lordship.
When was this brought on when was this land settled with you?
In the year 1990, Your Lordship.
Where is that document?
Lordship, I have that only certificate which was given by
You
the.
don't have any land documents.
I have, but at present I don't have, but I can submit it.
Get it?
Jamabandi and everything, it is with me, Your Lordship.
Now, as per instruction, my lord, in Jamabandi, the school name has been recorded. But at that time, as per Act 2006, it's a clear-cut title was required, my lord, as per Act.
If that land is recorded in the Jamabandi from 1990, what more clear-cut
Yes.
thing you want? What more clear-cut do you want? Tell me.
No, that instruction I don't have. But at that time of consideration, her name is not in the Jamabandi. They have not produced any land document. It's only certificate, madam.
Without holding anything, why the assistant.
See, the instruction here is,
Let them produce, my lord, the settlement order.
it is seen that the land was mutated in the year 2022.
But as per the certificate which I have. already
Forget the certificate. This is by some assistant settlement officer. So how was this land settled with you? Bought it?
That land.
Somebody donated it? Or was it government land which the district level scrutiny, district level that committee had given to you? Land advisory board had given to you.
The headmaster, that is the respondent number 7, that land was actually belongs to him. And he was working as a headmaster in that school. And he donated the land there.
Where is that donation?
Lordship,
Where is your statement to that effect?
that part I have not.
That-
I can bring on record.
Madam, everybody is going circuitous manner. You're not coming to the point directly. If that was the thing, that this was the headmaster, he donated the land, enough, finished, that is the end of the matter. And
I
the
can
land
bring
is in the name, not in the name of the school, it is in the name of the secretary. Maybe because he being the principal, he has kept control over that land. Was
Yes.
it
Yes,
donated? Where is the donation deed?
At present, I don't have. I have to take instruction for
On
that.
the prayer of Ms. K. Jain,
One
Ms. K. Jain, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that she would file an affidavit bringing on record the documents pertaining to the land on which the school in question is presently operating. Also, prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. The instructions furnished by Mr. G. Pegu, learned counsel for the petitioner has been perused and the same has been returned to the learned counsel to be placed before this court on the next date of listing.
I may get a copy, Your Lordship, if
You
Lordship.
not do it.
They
You settle your position on your own. You get your documents, that's all.
I will.
Because the act is very specific to that effect.
I will, Your Lordship.
And you
Deeply
should have,
obliged.
madam, you are making such big claims on a certificate issued by some assistant settlement officer. You get your documents, your own, you establish your case, then we will see.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged.
May it be pleases you, Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, it was placed under Your Lordship examination at DSC, Your Lordship. Deputy Secretary has written Your Lordship letter to forwarding DSC, Assam. I would like to place it.
Oh, that case, yes. Yes, what happened?
Your Lordship, Deputy Secretary Government, Your Lordship, written Your Lordship later, Your Lordship, where it is mentioned that the department-wide letter so-and-so dated that Directory Secondary Education Assam to undertake a detailed examination of writ petition 2689/2024, that is Liaquat Ali Mazumdar, and to initiate appropriate action strictly in conformity with the provisions which contained paragraph 8 and 9 towards the office memorandum number FINEC 31808/2018 dated on 14/6/2019, which is under examination at the DAC Assam.
Then what happened?
Your Lordship, this is the recent Your Lordship instruction I received, Your Lordship.
Very
So
good.
Your Lordship, some time may be granted, Your Lordship,
till 4
for the outcome.
4 o'clock. We passed this order on 12/3. Man is hanging. You issue this letter.
Monday, Your Lordship.
You issue this letter on 23/4/26 without specifying as to when you had required the director to do the needful. When had you required the director to do the needful?
Monday, Your Lordship.
Not today. Just throwing a letter on the court before the court will not work. Tell me when you have asked the director. With reference to the so-and-so submitted that the department-wide letter under reference 10/4. We had passed this order on 12/3. Why 1 month delay? Why 1 month delay?
Okay.
Tell me, why 1 month delay? You can't do everything at your sweet will. We are not here. We also don't have time. You don't have time. We also don't have time. So within the time we have, we will have to settle it. So why the 1 month delay? What is the processing you made for the period of 1 month? Yes. Get it? This order was passed on 12/3. And you directed the director on 10/4. What were you doing? Because the matter was to come up on 31/3. It is seen that you have done nothing till that point of time. On 12/3, we wanted the matter to be listed on 31/3. You did nothing. Why? Is this the manner you do? You read, you take up the orders of this court?
Last chance may be given your
I have already
lordship.
given you last chance.
Monday, your lordship, to obtain the
Sorry.
instruction.
We can
the
give you on
outcome of
Monday
the-
because that will require some additional work for the people there. Compensate that. Say around 10 people would be now, if I direct this thing to be listed on Monday, it'll require it'll go to around 10 people would be involved. They'll have to again change the whole setup. So you bear the cost. 10 people per day, kiman ke pore amar egon? And now the salaries are very high. It's around 1,000, 1,500. So 10 people. This court-wide order dated 12/3/2026 had passed the following order. 8-way. On 31 and had directed the matter to be listed on 31/3/2026. On 31/3/2026, on the prayer of the parties, the matter was directed to be listed today. So, when the matter was taken up for consideration today, Ms. Pidas, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has placed on record a communication dated 23/4/2026 issued by the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education, wherein it has been highlighted that the matter has been, that the Director of Secondary Education Assam has been requested to undertake a detailed examination and to initiate appropriate action strictly in conformity with the provisions contained in para 8 and 9 of the Office Memorandum dated 14/6/2019. Also, the said communication was made to the Director of Secondary Education only on 10/4/2026, whereas the order was passed a month ahead by this court on 12/3/2026. Also, on the next date of listing, Ms. Pidas and or any other standing counsel of the Education Department who would be appearing on the said next date shall receive instructions from the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam Department, or from the Secretary to the Government of Assam Department of School Education as to the steps taken by the department in the matter after passing of the order dated 12/3/2026 till the issuance of the communication dated 10/4/2026 to the Director. Also, the said instruction be placed on record in writing received from the Secretary to the Government of Assam Department of School Education. Also, registry to list this matter again on on 14/5/2026.
Deeply obliged.
Madam, next day I will not get you. There will be somebody else. But
Instruction.
first thing would be whether this was communicated or not.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I'll come down very heavily. This is going out of my patience level.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship? So,
You don't want to file a reply?
Lordship?
Want to file a rejoinder?
Reply, lordship. Yes, lordship.
Mr. Edeka submits that he be granted 3 weeks' time to file a reply file a rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondent. Number 2. Pray accepted. Registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
This matter may be posted before the appropriate bench.
I'm sorry. This matter is kept for further hearing. You do want to do this matter? Any biasness you have been?
No,
Make your arguments.
Another thing is that matter 2 connected IS are pending yet to be registered.
We can't help it.
filed
Because I kept this matter for further hearing. Make your
20
submissions.
21st of April, we have filed 2 IA.
Fine.
Otherwise, the said IAs are placed on record.
Mr. Counsel,
No, let me
please
submit
don't make submissions. You did, that was not your first submission. Before your appropriate bench.
Yes.
I had heard this matter at length on the last date. And then we had said that the matter is kept for further hearing.
My contention is that this is the bench for civil bench 2 matter.
This bench matter has been assigned to me because I had kept it for further hearing. Any objection in this bench hearing the matter?
With regard
If
to
you have that, tell me, we'll deal with it.
My lord, main purpose of the 2 IAs to be.
What is the IA file for?
IAs, there is one notification of the respondent side, which was not challenged because my case was not posted before the bench, where analogous 17 or 18 petitions were disposed of. So to that effect, I have challenged that notification as well as one implement of.
Mr. Dillon, although this matter was fixed for further, this court had heard the learned counsel for the parties at some length on the last date of listing. However, the learned counsel for the petitioner, when today submits that the matter be listed before the appropriate bench. However, the reason, although the matter was listed today before this court for further hearing, the reason on being queried was not answered to. However, in view of the prayer made by the petitioner, raised it to list this matter before the appropriate bench on the next date of listing. Appropriate bench after 3 weeks, after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. The matter be not treated as tied up and or heard before this court. Your purpose served. But this is giving a very bad impression, you see. Next time you come before me, this impression would be there. I said not a view, I said impression.
No, my lord.
And be very careful.
2 IAs are yet to be registered.
Be very careful,
For the
mister.
purpose
That
of
is not your first submission. That is not your first submission.
My contention was
That is not your first submission, Mr. Counsel.
No, my lord. Let me submit. This bench is constituted for education matters only. And this matter was
I'm
for
sorry,
PWD.
this
bench
matter-
for 5 matters.
no.
To that effect, I have submitted before.
No, it is for further hearing and you were there. I heard you.
No.
I
on last-
expressed my view.
On last occasion, my lord, respondent side was directed to place the vacancy list.
Fine, it's over.
All right.
Obliged.
Item number ki manusin? Yeah, naam to likhi to diwa. Ahle muk jon.
This. May I please?
Yes.
My lord, in fact, this case
The
was.
smile is very disarming, Mr.
No, my lord, this is a good case for me.
Oh, very good.
My lord, senior will admit that. But what happened in this case, my lord? This is actually there is an interim order. My learned senior friend has filed an IA, but this matter is, my lord, posted for final hearing.
Okay, we'll hear it finally. No problem.
My lord, the petitioner before your lordship was the second senior most teacher of the school, my lord. What happened? My lord, headmaster of that particular school retired on 30/11/2024, and the inspector of school of that school, my lord, that Lakhimpur district, my lord, has instructed the headmaster to hand over the search to senior most teacher of the school. And
forget that who has handed over, who has not handed. Give me your service details.
Yes, my lord. My lord, your lordship will find page 23, my lord. Details is there. I am the senior second one, my lord, Mohan Kumar type.
And the private respondent?
Private respondent is serial number 4, my lord.
This is a ME school.
Yes, my lord. This is ME school. And I was sent for basic training, upper primary training in 2008. I did my training, completed my training in 2008. That has also been done.
This is in charge?
Yes, insertion.
Okay.
And now his contention is that he is more qualified. That is the only issue.
Where is the impugned order?
Your Lordship will find, my Lord. Page 21, my Lord.
Respondent number?
6.
তাতে আছে মই মতে ওলাই থৈছো তাতে মন টাইপ বুলি চব একেটা নোচোৱা কি
What is your qualification?
Higher secondary with, my Lord, upper primary basic training.
Training. And what is the qualification of Jadab Bhuya?
My Lord, now he is saying MA, B.Ed, DLED. He has the MA with DLED and B.Ed. He did his DLED and B.Ed in the same, my Lord, session.
Good for the students. DLED and?
B.Ed, my Lord.
B.Ed.
Yes, my Lord.
Only this much?
Yes,
Anything-
MA is there.
Huh?
MA is there.
MA is MA, BA, DED,
Yes,
DLED and BEd.
B.Ed. my Lord. MA is also done after joining the service. And DLED was, my Lord, he was directed to, from their affidavit, my Lord, their IIT is founded. He was directed to.
Yes, Mr. Borak.
My Lord. He's admitted that he's
You are the best candidate.
my Lord.
But is he an eligible candidate?
Not my Lord, he's the higher secondary.
You are the best candidate.
My Lord.
But is he an eligible candidate? Tomorrow there is a selection, whether his case can be considered. Just answer that query.
But
On selection, you will get it. No issue on that.
my Lord,
Because you are too qualified, highly qualified.
highly qualified.
If there is an election, will he be permitted to appear or participate in that selection? Because he has the basic qualification,
Basic qualification,
minimum qualification.
but B.Ed, he is a normal only for 6 months.
BEd
my-
will not come in in an ME school. It will be DLED. He has DLED training.
No, DLED.
Upper primary training he has.
DLED is
Upper primary training. That is called upper primary.
That is
training.
normal.
Basic is down in LP.
LP.
This is upper.
Upper, my Lord.
So he has HS with training.
Training.
So he is eligible.
He's AC.
You are suitable.
Suitable, my Lord.
Is it correct?
No, my Lord. Seniority come merit, my Lord.
Merit will come later on. But
Later.
whether Mr. Payeng, with his qualification of higher secondary and training, eligible to be considered for promotion. Not suitable,
Not
eligible.
my Lord. Yes, my Lord. As per notification, he is eligible.
Lekha.
But one thing is that my
is tough. That is when the post comes, because this is only
my Lord.
in chargeship. And in chargeship will be by way of seniority. It cannot be on any other count.
My Lord.
That's it. When a normal selection comes,
My
whatever happens, happens.
That is true. But the government has
If
filed.
it is true, why are you
But-
wasting time?
Government
Your
filed.
time.
Government file an affidavit, my Lord. They allow me to the in-charge principal only because of the higher qualification as well as
They cannot do that.
he hold the certificate of by only 6 months service in upper primary teacher training, my Lord.
Where is that? Where is that requirement that there should be something more?
Something more, my Lord. New, my Lord.
Normal or at least intermediate or equivalent so and so are necessary training as may be prescribed by the department.
My Lord.
Shall only be considered for promotion. So the Jadab Pegu, Jiten Pegu, what is that?
Moon Kumar type, my Lord.
My Lord Justice Roy's judgment that if you have to be posted on in charge basis, then you will have to have the qualification for appointment on regular basis.
Jagannath Pegu.
Jagannath Pegu. We will say that this will not be the thing for selection. Selection, whatever happens, happens for regular appointment. End of the matter. 2 o'clock we'll pass the order. I'll be here by 2:15. See, it's so fair. You should offer him a cup of tea outside.
Much or less.
Nothing more?
Nothing, my lord.
Is there anything more?
Not.
Oh,
Yes. No more submissions.
No more submission, my lord. That is the only submission.
Huh?
That much only, my lord.
Mr. Bora, anything more?
My lord.
yes, my lord. I have worked with my lord Jagannath Pegu, my lord.
No, Jagannath
Yes.
Pegui. That is the.
But that is the secondary education, my lord, relating.
What do you say, Mr. Talukdar?
There, if they file a affidavit, my lord, government, my lord, in paragraph, my lord.
9.
Mr. Talukdar is here. We'll also like to hear him. Yes, sir.
My lord, paragraph 9, my lord.
Paragraph 9.
Page 58.
50.
Our 9, 10, my lord.
Affidavit filed in the IA.
No, my lord, in main case, my lord.
Main case. Respondent number 2. Paragraph?
Paragraph 9. Our contention is that, my lord, he is the more qualification, my lord. Regarding, my lord, seniority, we have silent, my lord, in our affidavit, my lord. Only.
Okay. Where is the selection minutes?
My lord.
Where is the selection minutes? Mr. Pang, you please have your seat. Where is the selection minutes? Because you have found him to be more eligible. So your director might have carried out a selection process. Where is the minutes?
That minute, my lord. Only we have stated that there he is.
Oh, show me the law. When he has the minimum qualification, he is senior. At the stage of in chargeship, where is the question of examining the rival merits?
That I will.
Support your decision.
-9.
So in all your LP, ME schools, now your director is appointing graduates, not the persons otherwise qualified like Mr. Pang.
No, my lord.
Then what is the minimum qualification for headmaster?
Higher secondary.
Higher secondary. Only higher secondary. Only higher secondary.
Basic training, my lord, upper primary.
Upper primary. What is the criteria for promotion? Does the petitioner possess this qualification?
Petitioner, yes.
Possess.
Seniority come merit, man.
Seniority come. So if the minimum merit is achieved, the senior will be promoted. Anything adverse against the petitioner?
No.
Then why did you promote the respondent?
Subsequently, my lord, inspector had taken charge, my lord.
Okay. Now inspector.
My lord.
Inspector. Inspector of
My lord,
schools.
In the annexer, I have in affidavit, my lord, I have to annex the
Deputy inspector.
deputy inspector, my lord.
Yes. Nothing more. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Bora.
As per affidavit of the government, my lord, they say, my lord, that three persons' name was forwarded, and on the basis of that way, my lord, as a higher qualification,
What
my
is the
lord,
normal norm?
normal more, my lord, as per my
Forget it. You tell me.
318, my lord, page number. The procedure for the promotion to the post of headmaster
And that is
ME
the
school, my
regular
lord.
promotion.
Regular promotion.
And
But
does
this
it
is
say
yes,
that if you are a MA, BEd,
yes,
you are a BEd.
yes,
BEd is number what is a BEd going to do here? This is primary.
primary pattern. Like middle school, my lord. Middle school, my lord. Middle school, my lord. Actually, all promotion now done whether he must be a graduate. But in para 5, those who were in
counsel for the petitioner also heard Mr. B. Talukdar, learned standing counsel, elementary education department, and Mr. N. Bora, learned standing counsel, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 6. Hearing concluded, registered to list this matter again. Mangalbar area. So, it will open for delivery of orders.
Mile.
We are interfering.
Mile.
But we will make it clear that this is only for the purpose of the in chargeship, not for the purpose. We have not laid down any law for the purpose of regulation.
Mile.
Yes, cousin brother.
Withdraw the matter.
Very good. Heard Mr.
As this one.
S.J. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Who was there? U. Sharma. U. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the respondent. Learned standing counsel, secondary education department appearing for the respondent. The learned counsel for the petitioner on instruction has submitted that he be permitted to withdraw the present petition. Also, prayer is not objected to by Mr. U. Sharma, learned standing counsel, secondary education department. Accordingly, the petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Obligation.
I am instructed to withdraw the petition with liberty.
Rightly so. Come, let Mr. Rupam Soikia come. We will have then Mr. P. Soikia. Mr. P. Soikia, is this petition maintainable?
No, my lord.
Then why this objection was not taken before?
No, we have taken objection.
Where?
In earlier court, my lord.
Heard.
That wife filed this petition application, my lord. Husband filed, wife come before this court. The 226.
Otherwise, they are one. But
unfortunately, legal practice under 226.
Unfortunately, the issues is different. Otherwise, they are one.
We have.
You can't have two identities. They are the two sides of the same coin.
Living as that not say under this statutory.
That is a PL. I am here for your legal.
I understand.
Your legal right. Mr. A. Deka, learned counsel for the petitioner, after attempting to argue the matter at some length, on instructions have submitted that he be permitted to withdraw the present petition. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. P. Soikia, learned counsel, standing counsel.
No, I am for the state government.
Learned government advocate appearing for the state respondents. Also, accordingly, the present petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
So liberty.
But no liberty is required because she cannot be permitted to come back. Rupam Soikia coming. He is not before me. Why should I? Who is appearing for the respondents here? Higher education? Get some higher education counsel. Mr. Das. Morning, I had a view.
My lord.
That whether this would be maintainable. Afternoon, it was troubling me. I was just giving it a thought. See, the university is set up to impart education, right? Imparting education to whom? Not the public, to the students. There. So, rusticating him, if you have done it in a manner known to law, fine. But rusticating him, you are curtailing his right. Once you curtail his right, that public duty that you are required to discharge gets affected. I think we will have to
On that count, my lord.
consider this. We'll issue a notice now.
Yes, my lord.
Where is your senior?
It's a private
High school
university.
code number 17.
Call him. Because this issue, ticklish issue,
Hello.
but when I thought in this direction, thought that maybe we should examine this matter.
Yes, madam.
Mr. Rahman, what are you waiting for? Oh, that abandonment of service. Abandonment of service.
This abandonment certificate, because affidavits are there, government affidavits.
Come. This is college.
Finally see the stand of the government by the affidavit. So
Higher education, Mr. Das.
Your Lordship,
Ms. Agarwal, Mr. Das, you are there in this matter?
D. Upamanyu is conducting this matter, my lord.
Okay.
I'll call him, my lord. Just give me some
Let
time.
him come. Upamanyu. Some other day.
He's coming.
He's coming.
Uh,
He says Upamanyu is there. So if we hear it, we'll hear you both together. I'm here. If you want, if you can wait for time being, when Mr. Come. When he comes, ask him. Ms. Agarwal, when he comes, be called, inform the court master. Because I don't want to keep Mr. Rahman here whole day.
So in terms of this earlier order of this one of
No, we can't see you. We find the name of somebody else here. Yes.
already looks
That shows the dislike for this court. Strong dislike.
Correct.
Yes.
already lordship from the department lordship, our school has been upgraded. That lordship will find that order.
You have got the permission from the government.
Because since lordship they have upgraded the school,
Oh.
so lordship they indirectly they given the permissions.
Permission.
Yes, lordship.
Lordship upgraded?
Yes.
So what is left here?
So far the SEBA is concerned, lordship, in the Dorpan portal, our names should be registered, lordship, so that the
Lordship, the
students
pa-
can get admission.
No, that
No.
last date is over for this year.
From the academic session 2024-25,
Gone.
they're gone.
See, 24-25, you came before this court.
Yes,
25-26, you have not been able to admit.
This is a lordship, these consequences will be lordship continuing if
I know that. 25-26, you have not been able to. Now, 26-27 notices issued, 22nd was the last day. When were you given the permission? Upgradation.
upgradation this order also on 25th of April 2025.
Get the council for the SEBA. Not SEBA now, higher secondary council.
Yes, no.
Earlier.
Board of Education.
Board of?
School, lordship, Assam State School Education. Board.
That one, that doesn't come,
Yes.
it's not coming to my mouth. I say higher secondary council earlier.
Only that part is left out.
Get it, we'll get it done.
Lord.
We'll get it
Lordship,
done.
these schools have.
But you have now missed out on this also, this year also. But you have a scope. The compartmental exams would be declared in May. So those students, at least you can get.
Lordship, here, Lordship, may I? Lordship, here, these schools have been already upgraded. They have been upgraded, meaning thereby that they have come under the government, your Lordship. High secondary 11 and 12, high secondary, they have not been provincialized, your Lordship. They have been upgraded. So they have come under.
This was the provincialized school earlier.
Yes, it was till high HS. It is a high provincialized school. High secondary school part was not provincialized. Your Lord.
Now it has been.
It has been upgraded. They have not been given at that time. No recognition was given.
Pay and allowances of the teachers.
Lordship, here.
That will be given by whom?
Lordship, the teachers.
School authority.
Lordship, the teachers who were appointed in the high secondary schools, your Lordship, in those classes, the services of the teachers have not been provincialized.
So they are still private.
They are private. They have been appointed by the SMDC, your Lordship. So they have not been provincialized. So here
that school
Yes,
is
Your
not
Lordship.
within the framework of a governmental framework.
Yes, your Lordship.
It is still an independent. It may be attached to a provincialized.
Lordship, in the upgradation order, there, in the upgradation order, your lordship, what is there is that these schools for the temporary period, these schools will be run by the graduate teachers who were already teaching in the high schools, your lordship. So they will be,
Show me the order.
lordship,
Page 225.
227, your lordship.
227. In pursuance of Gov approval, in file number so and so, the following
Should be no-
schools are
Yes, your lordship.
hereby upgraded to higher secondary schools subject to fulfillment of following criteria and conditions. Our names are serial number 9, 944 and 77.
So the post will be created, your lordship. New post will be
Our claim is
created
not
and.
against any post closure operating
No,
salary.
but
Yeah,
now
no,
see.
no,
That is
lordship,
confusing, lordship.
automatically, your lordship, when they are upgraded, so automatically the students will be registered under the Durban portal because it has been upgraded, it has come under the government, your lordship. So registration
You
is,
make a statement to that effect.
Lordship.
I'll record it, dispose of
lordship,
it.
let the, lordship, then, next day,
We are
lordship,
making a, that
Lordship.
will be a very dangerous statement. I'll not make
Lordship,
you,
because
allow you to make that.
this
It
is,
will
this,
go against you.
lordship, this is the verbal instructions that I have received.
Madam, what has
lordship.
happened here,
Lordship.
subject to correction,
Lordship,
as far as I know, limited knowledge. This was a school created by a provincial.
provincialized school,
The school, there was a provincialized school and this school was created
lordship,
by the villagers, by them, by some, by Mr. Decca, by Miss Devi. Everybody had created this school. But this school is not a part and parcel of the provincialized school. It has
No.
a distinct extent.
yes.
Now, this upgradation, you have not upgraded the high school to a higher secondary school.
Lordship,
The high school continues separately. Here,
lordship,
whether the high school that was there,
lordship,
which was provincialized, that's
Lordship.
what you mean to say?
lordship.
Whether
It-
that high school
It
has been
upgraded. It has been upgraded to a high secondary school.
higher secondary school.
Lordship,
Now, the headmaster of the high school is the principal of the,
yes, your lordship. He'll be functioning as a principal, your lordship. Because
Okay.
lordship, on the next
Okay.
day, let me place the
okay.
notification, your
Okay.
lordship.
Now, there will be two categories of teachers in the high school, in the higher secondary school.
Lordship,
One whose services have already been provincialized. And another one who have been engaged
lordship.
by the school
managing
two
committee.
school management committees.
Managing committee.
One for the higher secondary, one for the
Lordship,
high
lordship,
school.
lordship.
Now, how many school managing committees are there?
Lordship, here then, if when the school is upgraded, I'll have to obtain instructions as far
Because
as
the
I can
problem here
understand,
is, madam,
Lordship,
the provincialized school does not have any income on its own.
lordship,
So if it is to operate a higher secondary school,
lordship.
then it may not have teachers having postgraduate degree also.
Yes, your
We
lordship.
can draw that
Yes,
presumption.
yes, your lordship.
Now, to pay them the salary, they'll have to have students in it. Now, if you tell me,
Lordship,
if you can get an instruction that
lordship,
even the students who are enrolled in the higher secondary section need not pay any school fee,
lordship,
I'll dismiss Mr. Decca's case.
lordship,
I'll dismiss. Because
lordship.
the only way he can lay a claim now is that, because if I don't get students, I don't get my salaries. That's the only thing.
Lordship.
Now, if you are taking care of that, why should this?
Lordship, the
Why
teachers-
this? All cases I'll dismiss.
Lordship.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr. Nazdi Musahari, Learned Council for the Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, registry to list this matter again on when?
Next week.
Any date convenient for you. But it should be, if possible, in this month, because next month, the compartmental results coming out, they'll have an avenue of having students.
Lordship, Friday, not
Friday.
Friday, your lordship.
Friday is a holiday.
Monday, then your lordship.
Monday.
Monday.
For board exam,
Then 6th of May.
6/5/2020.
Because here the
Ms.
school.
Musahari
Lordship.
shall bring on record materials to, in support of our submissions, that the college, schools, the higher second, the school having been upgraded as an higher secondary school, comma, there would be no requirement now for the school to get itself registered under the Darpan portal, in as much as it has come within the purview of the governmental setup. Also, considering the request, considering the prayer made by Ms. D. Mushahari, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, raised it to list this matter again on 6/5/2026. If that is the stand of the government, what grievance can you have?
Lordship, here it is clearly stated that they are hereby upgraded to high secondary schools.
Madam, that is
Lordship.
my question.
Lordship.
Whether if you can provide for their salaries, why should these people be before this court? They don't have to be.
Lordship, Lordship, here since it has been upgraded.
Get your instructions,
Lordship,
madam.
Lordship.
Because say, without a basis, I accept that. It may boomerang back on you only.
Lordship.
I don't want that to happen.
Lordship.
You have raised a valid point.
Lordship, I'll opt in. Yeah.
Please proceed
Lordship.
with that and get the thing to its logical.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Mr. Decca and Ms. Devi would be very happy
Yes, yes.
to hear your that.
Lordship.
Because their next plea would be now, next rate would be, and now that you have considered me to be a government, give me my scale of pay.
Lordship, they have not come under
Who-
that. Their services have not
Next,
come.
oh, next
Lordship.
round.
Lordship.
Next round.
Lord-
Thereafter, it will be provincialized. my
Lordship, after being upgraded, posts have to be created, and those posts will be filled up through advertisement, Your Lordship, through the provisions, Your Lordship.
You
Rules and
tell
regulations.
me
My
whether
library
that
opportunity.
higher secondary section is now been also
Lordship.
provincialized. That much only.
Lordship. Obliged, Your Lord.
Mr. Counsel,
My lord,
after having had that deliberation with you,
my lord,
when I went in, I had a different thought.
my lord.
I think we'll have to examine this now.
Lordship, my lord, otherwise,
Don't take me out of that
mal,
thought process now.
mal.
Heard Mr. M.A. Islam, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Das, Learned Standing Counsel,
I'll be appearing for 1 and 2.
Learned Standing Counsel, Higher Education Department. Also, petitioner to, at the outset, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner has prayed that he be permitted to implead Assam Royal Global University, Betkusi, as a party respondent.
Already,
Prayer accepted. Assam Royal Global University be impleaded as respondent number 4 in the present writ petition. Petitioner to file an amended cost title within 2 working days from today. You have made it by the registrar. It should be Assam. He will be there. You make it by Vice Chancellor, whoever it is, make it. Considering the submissions of the Learned Counsel for the parties, also, this court is of the considered view that the issue arising in the present writ petition would require an examination by this court. Also, issue notice returnable 4 weeks.
no, my lord, is the last semester examination that is going to be held in the first week of May, my lord.
Returnable on returnable on 29/4/2026. Petitioner to take steps. Ms. S. Das accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. Also, petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 and 4 by dusty mode.
Right.
Steps by within 2 days. Steps by 27/4/2026. Petitioner to file an affidavit upon after having served the respondent number 3 and 4 by dusty mode. Also, registry to list this matter again on 29/4/2026. The issue of maintainability raised by Mr. S. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, Higher Education Department, is kept open. You do your research.
My lord.
There will be some decisions.
My lord, yes, I'll do.
And I will satisfy the court also because so for the
Mr. Counsel, you are not getting me.
Well.
Do you know what I have now thought out?
Well.
Is that the university is set up
Well.
to discharge a public function.
my lord.
Now that public function is not going and teaching all the people in the world. It is teaching the students who go there.
My lord.
So a student who is studying there, he is rusticated.
My lord.
So it comes within his right to receive that discharge of public duty by a university gets violated. Now, whether that would bring it within the ambit of
Article 12.
and of Article 22, 26 of the Constitution.
Yes.
That's what I'm thinking of. You do your research.
I will satisfy the court. Same issue, my lord, and
Same order. Yato eke nahi so. You file an amended cost title.
my lord. By 27, my lord, I will file the amended cost title and
Take this, sir.
27, my lord. Lordship.
Disturb. Lordship, the dispute
Who is
starts.
appearing for this? College?
The Google is appearing in this.
Who?
The Google.
For the college.
Lordship, 4311 dispute starts it from that. The
Mr. Roman, give me 2 minutes. Please have a seat. Now, the second leave was applied from when? First, it completed on 15/6/2005.
Yes, Lordship.
Second one started?
No, 4/3/2011, I was sent for medical.
No. I'm not on that. I'm not yet reached that. 15/6/2005, after a spell of leave, you came back.
Yes.
Now, the second leave started from when?
Second leave started from 2008.
Can you give me a date?
I have given a list of dates, Lordship. Hamari,
No. The 2011, that is different. In 2011, you were not there.
No.
In school, college.
20, yes.
Lordship, page 89 of my affidavit, para 5, Lordship.
89.
Yes, Lordship.
Verified.
Para?
5, Lordship.
89 days, it is. Give it a response number 3 or 4.
1 and 2.
1 and 2 years. One is, there is no affidavit of 1 and 2. 3 and 4. No, 2. No, yes, 2 is there. And 4, 2.
You've had
28.5. Very good. On and Queen saying. I feed which advocate. Feed which advocate.
And now you have retired.
Retired. So when? That is 30/11/22.
Mr. Pamanyu,
Yes, Lord.
who is the disciplinary authority of the petitioner? Director.
Director.
Now, at least in the second round, wherein she was also sent to the medical board, admittedly, no documents in support of her absence was brought on record.
Yes, Lord.
So she remained unauthorizedly absent.
Yes, Lord.
Why no proceeding was instituted against her?
Lordship, somewhere it is stated, Lordship.
Because you will have to establish that she was away willfully, deliberately. Right?
Yes, Lordship.
Her contention is that at least in 2014, she had gone to join. But she was not allowed. What is your stand on that? Your affidavit does not reflect anything.
Lordship, at para 6, Lordship.
I understand. Total chaos.
Yes, Lordship.
She is not interested. But you supported her. Because till the date of her superannuation, you have not done anything.
Yes, Lordship.
Now, Mr. Rahman will project that till 14, okay, fine. You don't give me salaries. But after 14, I was available. Till 22, you did not permit me to join. I'm entitled to salaries.
In their affidavit, they have admitted it.
Sarah?
Lordship. Respondent number 2 affidavit, kindly receive it. Here, last one, paragraph 9 of the page 92.
92.
Yes.
No.
And 4, kindly. Yes, 3 and 4.
Now,
3 and 4, yes.
Mr. Roman, were your services provincialized under the 2005 Act?
Lordship, here is there. Provincialization for signing 18, I think. Yes. Here, paragraph 11 is there.
11 of?
11 of this
Writ petition.
affidavit 3 and 4.
Affidavit 3. Para 11.
The answer given back to state that by later number says the principal informed the petitioner to come.
Para
11.
of respondent number 3 and 4. One miss.
It is affidavit.
Oh, reply. Sorry.
Affidavit and reply.
3 and 4. Para 11.
And 13 also they are neglected.
No, where is this contention with regard to provincialization of your services or deemed provincialization of it?
That is the read petition paragraph 7.
Paragraph
7, page 5. So I like to point out another paragraph 16 of the affidavit, 3 and 4.
7.
Regarding the medical board, how they have acted. This paragraph 16.
Have you refunded your contributory provident fund that amount?
Settled.
Where have you stated?
Yeah, it is not stated here. It is
CPF benefits?
CPF benefit. Not mentioned here. No, it is not mentioned.
If you can come to the act, the College Provincialization Act. Okay, 2005, you have that act. Therein it says that for becoming for provincialization, 3G,
Yes.
all existing employees who do not exercise option under clause D
Yes.
shall to refund the government share of contributory provident fund with interest within 6 months from the date of coming into force of this act. You are an existing employee because you are there after 1/1/2005. Now there is something.
And Lordship, paragraph 16, it is already admitted.
That
paragraph 16, last line, Lordship.
Paragraph 16 of the affidavit filed by
them, yes. Last of all, they say, here they have stated, standing medical board, however, address of the petitioner was wrongly recorded in a medical report. Accordingly, by memo number so and so, the address of the petitioner was rectified. The matter of prolonged absence without sanction leave of the petitioner and her physical fitness certificate by the standing medical board were conveyed to the director of higher education.
That I've seen.
So
now, what I'm on is whether your services can be deemed to have been provincial.
That is because I put my signature and all this as per direction of this year.
No, I got it. Yes. But notwithstanding anything contained in the previous constitution.
It is the ego fighting of the director and principal of the college and the director. This is reflected in paragraph 16 and 17. For medical fitness certificate, they have taken decision after my retirement. It is admitted in the affidavit. Departmental proceeding now after retirement.
Your GPF account was opened?
Open.
Where is that? It's here.
That
You
is
have a
the-
GPF number?
Sign.
Does he have a Mr. Amla, there has a GPF number being authorized to him? GPF number.
Instruction.
The benefit of request basically this is accordingly, I have categorically stated in paragraph 7, everything in my read petition. That I beg to state that she received a
Was
letter-
Mr. I'm trying to see whether you have become a provincialized employer or not. By applying 2000.
If I am not provincialized, then UGC and a revised pay scale for, they put my, take my signature.
No.
That is not in paragraph 7, not denied.
Where is Mr. Gugoi?
He's on legs in court.
Because in their affidavit, it is no counter, nothing.
Yes, Mr. Bhuya. Mr. Upamanyu, what is your stand?
Lordship, she has never attended her duty since 2005.
Why you have also not taken any step?
No, Lordship, she is just forwarding one of.
Draw a presumption of unauthorized absence, can you? Have to give her an opportunity to justify. If it is justified, it's not unauthorized absence.
Her leave was never sanctioned, Lordship.
Will not pay her. Will not pay her.
Yes.
For the whole period she was absent, we will not pay. But now that she has rendered, and you also say that till 2005, some date,
Yes.
she is entitled to draw pension. Now, if she is entitled to draw pension, then whether she was brought, that means she was brought within the purview of the Provincialization Act.
Whether she has opted for the option.
Forget the option. It's deemed. So now you say that means she is entitled to pension. So only we have to consider from 2005 to 22, how this period would be required to be considered. That's all. We do that.
No, Lordship, whether her service was provincialized.
That's something which you should have said. You have not said anything. Whether she has returned her CPF.
No, Lordship, that she has not done. That we have stated, Lordship. That we have stated that she has.
You get your instructions on this, right? And if she has not refunded her CPF account within that period, why have you projected in your writ petition that she is entitled to pension?
Yes, affidavit.
Huh? Categorical statement. Your director is saying that. Mr. Rahman will not put Mr. Upamanyu to trouble. Let him not have that instruction.
Yes.
Mr. Upamanyu.
Yes.
Do your thing. Heard Mr. H. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Also heard Mr. S. Das, learned counsel for the D. Upamanyu, learned standing counsel, higher education department. Also heard Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the
10-4.
The respondent college, that is the respondent number 3 and 4. Also, as prayed for by Mr. D. Upamanyu, learned counsel for the petitioner. Registry to list this matter again on when? Don't take a long date. The lady is already suffering.
Lordship, first week of May.
On 7/5/2026. Also, on the next date of listing, Mr. Upamanyu shall complete his instructions on the points as to complete his instruction as to whether the petitioner's service can be deemed to have been provincialized under the provisions of the Assam College Employees bracket Provincialization Act, Provincialization bracket over Act 2005. Also, further,
Provincialized in provincialization.
Power.
Provincialization.
2005. Will not open it up.
Provincialization.
Raised it to list. 7.5.
Bless. Record question.
Yes. You can leave now.
My lord, item number 39, there is a interim order, status quo order is there, 39.
39 কোন আছে? তার পরিবারে।
Mushari.
Mr. Chaudhary, what are you waiting for?
51.
Next week. Yes.
Plus, the department is yet to file its affidavit in the matter. On the last occasion, they had said that it's out for instructions.
They are covered by your policy now, latest policy that.
Meher Ali.
This is in which place?
Hailakandi.
Elementary. You have a training.
No,
You have the training, DLED training
let's get instruction. I'll have to get those.
on the prayer of the Learned Council for the parties. There is a new scheme, new decision of the government that all the irregular teachers, illegally appointed teachers as tutors who have the requisite education qualification, they'll be converted as teachers. Get that. You'll have it from Mr. B. Talukdar.
Yes.
Please that. Register to list this matter. Yes or no?
My lord, I don't have that instruction.
Register to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by. Get that.
I'll get.
Obliged.
But in this case, actually, my learned senior, M.K. Chaudhary was leading. Due to some urgent, well, somewhat from his family demise, he has to let it.
Okay, otherwise also Friday, maybe.
Wednesday.
Maybe.
My lord, Wednesday.
It's not a matter to be. This will take some deliberation. Okay.
Wednesday. my lord.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, Learned Council, appearing for the
Next.
petitioner in WPC number 23 of 2020 for an adjournment in the matter on the ground of some personal inconvenience. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. K. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioner in WPC number 7182/2025, as well as the learned councils, other learned councils appearing for the respondent. So accordingly, as agreed to by the learned council for the parties, registered to list this matter again.
It's very good.
When?
29 minutes.
29.
Chaudhary, you'll have to keep on waiting. Let it be on 6th.
Milord, problem is, Milord, that first week I'll be in Supreme Court, that CA matters are there.
13th,
Then Milord, 13th.
13/5.
Obliged.
Deep level.
Yes.
Valid.
Mr. AMS Mojumdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, on instruction, submit that the submits that the present writ petition is required to be the issue involved in the present writ petition is required to be agitated at the first instance before the Central Administrative Tribunal, Gauhati bench. Accordingly, he submits that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition with liberty to approach the Central Administrative Tribunal. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by Ms. K. Fukan, Learned CGC, appearing for the respondents. Full stop. In view of the submissions made by prayer of Mr. AMS Mojumdar, Learned Standing Counsel for the Learned Counsel for the petition, the present writ petition stands dismissed with on withdrawal with liberty as prayed.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Maybe disposal.
Hmm?
Maybe disposal.
It doesn't create anything, but you will have to explain your delay there. You can use this period there.
Okay.
Where the forum is prescribed, why should we come in? It's not that we don't have matters here.
Problem.
Here the respondent number 4 has submitted their written statement.
You want to file? Mr. B. Dep, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays that he be granted further 2 weeks.
Let it be 3 weeks.
3 weeks time to file a rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 4.
Number 4 have filed it only. 1,
Also,
2, 3 have
the
been filed.
other respondents are at liberty to bring on record their respective stance by way of filing affidavit before the next date of listing. Register to list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed.
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. P.J. Fukon. SCKK Hindi document.
Affidavit's not filed.
Well, we are in the process of filing.
You are filing today.
We have served them a copy also.
Serve a copy.
Just now, Lordship.
Oh.
But
He
they-
can't serve you yesterday. Today he's filing, so he'll serve you today only. Third the learned counsel for the parties. It is submitted that an affidavit. The learned counsel for the Gauhati University, Krishna Kanta Hendik State Open University, submits that affidavit on behalf of the said respondent is being filed today. Also, Ms. D. Mohanto, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, submits that she be granted 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time to bring on record a rejoinder to the said affidavit filed by the respondent number 1, if so advised.
May I pay for a date, Lordship? Date.
Hopta kuch no? 15 तारीख है पड़ी 15/5.
15. Much obliged, Lordship.
This matter relates to appearance before the CBSE class 12 examination. I was not allowed because of shortage of attendance. As per your lordship interim order.
You appeared.
Yes, appeared. But only difficulty is that, my lord, that after practical examination was over, I requested the authorities, college authorities, to allow me to appear in the practical examination.
They have not allowed you.
My lord, what is happened, my lord? My lord, I'm
stated
explaining, my lord. I'm explaining. I submitted a request letter before the principal on 25 March 2026, allow me to appear in the practical examination. Then 27th March in the evening, they have sent an email that on the next day, 3 papers practical examination will be held. I did not check the email. On 28th morning, I received some missed call from the class teacher. Then I immediately rushed along with my son to the school. On that day, from 8 AM to 11 AM, subject of chemistry, practical examination. And from 11:30 to 2:30.
Only for you or for all students?
Only for me, Malik. In a particular day, 3 practical examinations were held.
Which is the school or college?
School, Malik, KV.
NIT Silchar. I appear for respondent number 3.
What is this you have done?
No, your lordship, we have stated in the affidavit this same fact at page number 82, page number, internal page
Let
number
me
4,
explain, man, then I'll.
at paragraph number 5. There we have
Is it
stated.
the fact that on the same day, 3 practical examinations for the petitioner was scheduled?
Yes.
No, for
Yeah.
chemistry, your lordship.
Mr. Sama.
We have stated that the parent of the candidate were informed on 27/3/2026.
Okay, you informed them, I
Through
accept that.
multiple.
But is it a fact that on the same day, 3 practical exams were scheduled?
Only chemistry.
Only chemistry.
Only chemistry, because we have stated in the affidavit itself that it is submitted that which while calls were made, the same was not answered or received by the parent. That the chemistry practical examination was scheduled and conducted on 28/3/2026 in the presence of the duly appointed external examiner as per CBSE guidelines. That on the day of examination, that is 28/3/2026, the Vidyalaya, the KV Vidyalaya, made further bona fide efforts to ensure the presence of the candidate by making repeated telephonic calls, approximately 5-6 attempts, and sending WhatsApp messages to the parent. However, no response was received. That despite due intimation and repeated follow-up, the candidate did not report at the scheduled time for the examination. That the external examiner, in discharge of official duty, waited for more than 3 hours on the day of the examination. However, the candidate failed to appear during his extended period. That in view of the above, in accordance with examination norms, the candidate was marked absent in the chemistry practical examination. That it is further submitted that the candidate reported to the Vidyalaya approximately 4.5 hours after the scheduled time, by which time the examination process had been duly concluded and the external examiner had completed the assigned duties. So he reached after 4.5 hours.
What about the practical exam in other papers?
Other he appeared. Others he
Does
appeared.
he appear?
Yes, ma'am.
Others he appeared.
On
Only
28,
28 chemistry.
he has not been,
Those results have been declared?
not yet,
No, no,
Not his, otherwise general results have been
not
declared?
declared.
not declared.
Not declared yet.
Not
No, no, not only of his, others, others.
Others, I think.
Yes, other students' results declared. This is examination of 26 only.
26 only. So for our state board, it is 28th of this
I think
April.
May results will be.
It will be declared for 12 board, for state boards. But I don't know about, I have to take instruction as to when it will be declared.
Month of May, Lordship, discussion.
Also with regards to, I'll be actually, I want to produce certain judgments of other high courts on the same issue
Okay.
regarding this prolonged.
Let my,
Hearings are
let
complete.
me explain,
They
ma'am.
have not filed a
If I am
rejoinder.
not allowed to appear in the practical examination of chemistry, then definitely my result will
No,
be.
we will do something, don't worry.
My lord,
We'll do something.
from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., the practical for chemistry was held. From 11:30 to 2:30 p.m.
Same day.
Same day, my lord. This is the mail, my lord. They have sent the mail.
Yes, Mr. Bora.
I have to get instructions on this.
If that you have done, then you have done a very
I
bad.
write immediately, my lord. I write immediately to the.
I have to get
school.
instructions on this.
You have done a big disservice.
My lord, same campus.
Who is here? Who is the person who has filed the affidavit?
The principal, Sunil Gupta. And
Where is the affidavit? Page?
page number 82,
Lordship, may pay the mail, my lord. Email.
paragraph number 4. Paragraph 5,
Five.
Your Lordship. Principal is.
I remember.
I appeared rest of the paper, my lord, on the same day. 3 papers were held, my lord, because I did not receive the mail, my lord, on the previous day. Only 10 hours ago, I was sent an email.
Show me the mail.
This is my mail. And it is the same campus, either my sending a mail, my lord. This will also be directed to ensure my appearance. Instead of.
You stay within the campus itself?
Yes, my lord, within the same campus. Instead of sending the mail, they could have sent a messenger also, my lord. When I
We have stated in the affidavit.
maybe
We have stated in affidavit, phone calls as well as WhatsApp messages.
when I received some missed call on
I think
28
nobody
morning,
goes for a
I
messenger
immediately
nowadays,
rushed to the
Your Lordship.
school. Then I came to know that 3 papers examination are going to be held.
Mr. Bora, that is a matter of perception.
Yes, ma'am.
If you wanted to do that, you could have done it.
But we made calls. We have made
Okay.
calls several times, Your Lordship. But on this email, I have to get instruction as to whether what is
From
the
8 a.m.
how it is
10,
conducted,
11:30.
how practical examinations are conducted.
6 on 2
Only
days.
for
What is this internal subject English? Practical for that
Yes,
also?
my lord, practical.
Nowadays,
Yes, ma'am.
nowadays practical for
papers are-
each and every subject.
Practical, my lord.
We did not have that.
On-
We will have a physical learning.
I don't know what kind of practical they would
On
conduct.
28 3 papers, I appeared 2 papers.
And what is the normal, the students who are normally appear? They also have this practical
Yes, my
examination.
lord. There,
How did they appear? How was that schedule made?
I have no one.
Get that.
In my case, 3 papers in
No,
a.
if that case, there also, in the normal, say, examination, Yours is a special one.
Yes, my lord.
A
As per-
normal one, the 3 exams are held in the same day, then this is not bad.
But I have to inform my lord. I should get a message, my lord, in the morning, in previous day at 7:31 PM on.
Okay. The learned counsel for the parties have submitted that the pleadings in the matter is complete. Also, how you filed? Fine. Both of you filed. Both of you have filed.
Yes, yes.
You are not filing anything more.
I may be allowed to appear in the chemistry, my lord. I have submitted 2 representation to reschedule for rescheduling because I am not aware about the date of, my lord, practical examination from 8 AM. Because when I reach to the school, then I appear in the rest
No,
of
for
the
that
paper.
we'll have to dispose of the matter finally.
Then if
We are fixing it on a short date. Tuesday, we are finally hearing it and finishing it.
in the meantime, I may be allowed, my lord. Otherwise,
So that I cannot
the interim
say.
order, you will
Without
lordship interim
instructions,
order.
your
will-
lordship, I cannot
Ms.
say.
Bora can, Madam Bora can say. Only she is the master now.
Yeah, Lordship, I am not satisfied with this prolonged illness, Lordship. All this shortage of attendance can be condoned. This prolonged illness. He has no prolonged illness. It's
From, from
since 2024.
Remember, when I passed the interim order, Mr. Sharma had placed those materials, we were satisfied that this boy had some problem.
So the class 12 is from.
I am reading in the school from class 1 to class 12,
Okay.
more than 90%.
Accordingly, registry to list this matter again on
Email it.
Short date, my lord.
28.
Plus, that will be too long, my lord. Before that result may declare, my lord.
In the month of.
Result will come.
Yes,
You can just get that.
But
Wait
in the
for-
meantime, I may be allowed to appear in the chemistry practical, man.
We had
Otherwise,
permitted you. Let's see.
my lord, you
They
will
don't
interim order.
appear.
Bits of a big rope is also not permissible. We brought you in, we permitted you. You also should have been very prompt in this matter.
Yes, madam, continuously going to the school. But the principal in the same campus, instead of sending the email, they could have informed through the.
Let me get the instruction with regards to this email, if I can get a copy
Today.
of it.
You also get Miss Bora. A young boy is before us.
Yes.
Without prejudice to the rights of anyone, ask him to let him appear in the chemistry paper on 27th. Keep it in seal cover.
Yes, madam.
Keep it in seal cover. You get that instruction.
Yes.
And 27, I will fix the date. Time.
Yes.
Go. Madam, you get it.
Yes.
Also,
I don't want a boy, small boy life. His whole life will be spoiled now.
Student.
On the
You
same date,
get
he
that
can-
instruction. You get that instruction. 27th or 28th, we will schedule that.
Yes.
Lordship, after some time, I'll just get the instruction with regards to email.
You first get the instruction whether you can
Email is there.
accommodate, and you act like a state, a teacher.
Yes.
We don't want his life to be, otherwise he's a brilliant boy.
Yes.
His results are very good. So
Just
maybe we don't
shortage.
want to destroy a gem at the nib itself. Get your instructions.
On Tuesday, Lordship.
And this is the last time we are protecting you. Next time something like this happens,
Not, my lord,
I'll
100%.
throw out the writ petition.
After some time. After some time. my lord.
He is aiming for somewhere else.
No, my lord. He's a
Yeah,
physical.
Lordship, other it should not be on record, but I think he is taking coaching classes.
JEE advance.
That's
But one thing, mister, if that boy is of that level, we should support him.
yes, yes.
You
That
get
is-
that instruction when you
But
can hold it.
we only want that it should not be set as a precedent.
It will not be said as a precedent. That you leave
That's-
it to this court.
Today, my lord, after some time.
After some time. If you want to come tomorrow, I am ready.
Today.
Mr. Chaudhary, what are you waiting for?
Item, my lord. Other side has taken time to file affidavit, not yet filed. Very short matter, my lord. I am not getting the scale in spite of cabinet decision, my lord.
Higher education. Mr. Tabildar. Item number 64.
64,
The
Lordship.
last order.
Huh?
Affidavit करना है ना?
Mr. Chaudhary's claim is that cabinet has taken a decision. The subordinates to the cabinet are not following him.
And
That is
other person
contempt.
given, paper is already given.
Huh?
Pay scale, but only pay scale, I'm associate professor, my lord. Already my rank is there, everything is there. Other person already there, those who are enlisted. It can be disposed in the administrative statement or let them either as your lordship.
Yes,
For
Mr.
the-
Tabila.
Lordship, some time may be given. We have missed it. We'll file affidavit, Lordship.
Don't need affidavit. You just get your written instruction. This is not a case of dispute,
Then Lordship. Okay.
that there is some factual dispute.
I have not gone trial.
The question why you are not doing it.
Lordship.
Have any genuine reason, let us know. We'll,
Yes.
we'll say.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh?
Okay.
Heard Mr. H.R.H. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel. Also heard Mr. the A.R. Tabilda, Learned Counsel for the Learned Standing Council, Higher Education.
Lordship.
Tabilda submits that the matter be taken up on 8/5/2026. F. Kurbara no. About there. 6/5/2026. And he by which time he would complete his instructions and apprise this court about the reason as to why
Lordship.
the pay of the petitioner in the cadre of associate professor has not been fixed, and the remuneration and the same will not released to the petitioner hearing. So raised it to list this matter again on 6/5/2026.
Obliged to lordship.
Lordship. Obliged.
That much only.
Yes, Lordship. I'll get it.
You get you did not get many things, just that small instruction. That
Yes, Lordship. I'll get it. Obliged. Lordship.
Only period lordship last order, my lord, because he has stopped to receive his salaries, my lord, from May 2025, my lord. Earlier, there was one petition filed, my lord. I was forced to, my lord, put my signature in the undertaking.
Yes, Madam Das.
Some communication letters are there.
Yes, Madam Das. What do you have?
Your
to say?
Lordship, already on dated 2/4/2026, one letter has been forwarded by IS Gwalpara to DSC, Your Lordship. That, Your Lordship, I have already perused, Your Lordship.
So that what happened?
Your Lordship, why that salary has been stopped, that is elaborately is, Your Lordship, stated there, Your Lordship. Regarding stoppage of salary, Your Lordship, I would like
That
to,
is a letter dated 7/4. No,
no, 2/4/2026.
you have given it on record.
Last date,
Therefore, letter was only another and 7/4 is different. Inspector is saying that the treasury officer has not done. Treasury officer says that no, inspector has not supplied. Drawing and disbursing officer.
Your Lordship, regarding stoppage of salary, Your Lordship, it has clearly mentioned that this office has been regularly preparing, signing and forwarding the wages of bills.
Just a moment, just a moment, just a moment.
Treasury officer পঠোৱাইছে আমি এইটো instruction. Treasury দিব নেটো এপিয়াৰ কৰিছে মই নাজানো দিয়াচোন নিতে পঠিয়াই আছে ন আপোনাৰ তাত দিয়া
Okay. Show me your appointment order.
Yes.
আছে নেকি এইটো
14A, annexure 1, page matter 14A.
This is casual. When were you regularly appointed?
Joining report. Thereafter, my lord, therefore regulation of the page matter 20, type copy.
Before the order.
order to
Yes. Oh.
দিলা
Proposal for regulation, page 26.
When were you regularized, Mr. Das?
26 March 27,
Page?
07,
Page?
page 26. Proposal for regulation of service of
Oh,
work.
after this, where is the order?
His name is at page 27, bottom 17.
Mr. Das, I got it. You're not
Yes.
getting me. Where is that order regularizing your services?
Regarding finance forwarded bill, no? এনেকে দি দিলে গম পাবতো।
Or the benefit extending to you? Yes, what is the bill you are submitting, madam?
Your Lordship, on the last dated, I am not appeared, Your Lordship, but it has come to in my acknowledgement that finance has submitted one bill, Your Lordship. I needed to obtain instruction regarding this bill, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, short date may be given. I had already been communicated since I got the soft copy, Your Lordship. I'll be forwarding.
You show me the instruction given to you.
Your Lordship, this is my last instruction, Your Lordship, received from the department. And Your Lordship, one finance has already been submitted the bills also. Itu finance দিছে ন?
Yes, where is the finance sanction copy? Where is the finance sanction copy? No, no, you cannot say that. You will have to say that.
Your Lordship, that instruction is not with.
Why are you taking instructions then? If the finance sanction is required for that, you will have to submit that.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why your officers are not submitting that? Or if it is not there, why is not being from comment? On the prayer of Ms. Fusa, the wage bills of the petition as a casual employee were being submitted before the treasury officer, Gwalpara Treasury. However, the same were being rejected and returned back with the stipulation that the same be submitted along with the finance concurrence for the engagement of the petition. Ms. Das shall, on the next date of listing, apprise this court as to whether
Sanction to
for the engagement of the petition, any finance concurrence is required, and if so
Why DDO
required,
has not
whether the same was received. The instructions be
DDO
placed in writing,
has
received from a competent authority
sanction.
of the department. Ready to list this matter again
Bill.
on
Dilude.
13/5/2026.
Other
Mr. SK Medi, Mr. SK Medi, AG.
one,
And he is standing counsel as AG and is.
I'm appearing for 1, 3, 4, and 7.
Okay, Ms. Das. You were
other
standing-
fellow, he,
In 6, Your Lordship.
Miss,
I am Borua, Your Lordship.
I am Borua.
I am Borua.
RM Borua. Learned Standing Council Finance Department is present and SK Medi are present.
DDO has.
other fellow, he was appointed 27/1/92.
Sanction.
Engaged.
নাইকিয়া কাৰণে বিলটো পাছ হোৱা নাই।
You get that specific.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Authorised.
13.5 দিলা ন?
13.5.
Yes, Mr. Bora, you have got it. Madam Bora has also got it, yes.
মই দিলোৱে পঠিয়াই দিলো মই এতিয়া
Lordship,
report কৰিম আৰু।
The examination of the petitioner was conducted till 25th March. And on 27th, we were notified by the CBSE to conduct the practicals by 30th of March. 27th, we notified the petitioner evening that we are going to conduct the practicals through this email. And
All the three in the same day.
29th was Sunday. 28th was Saturday.
Okay.
That's why.
Yes.
3 subjects each.
When is the
Six
result?
Declared in the month of May,
May.
15 May or May.
Ah.
Like that.
The learned counsel for the petition has submitted that in terms of the interim directions passed by this court, while the order dated 17/2/2026, the petitioner was permitted to take part in the Senior School Certificate Examination 2025. In the theory segment of the Senior Schools Certificate Examination 2025. Also, however, the petitioner, on account of the inaction on the part of the school authorities in properly intimating to the petitioner the date fixed for the petitioner's son, son of the petitioner. Intimating to the petitioner the date fixed for the practical examination of the practical examination in the subject concerned of the son of his son, the son of the petitioner had missed in appearing in the chemistry practical examination, which was scheduled from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. of 28/3/2026. It is submitted that on 28/3/2026, 3 separate practical examinations for chemistry, computer science, and English were scheduled. Also, the said assertion made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, however, is disputed by Mr. D. Bora, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent number for the respondent number 3, that is the principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya, NIT, Silchar. It is also Ms. R. Bora, learned standing counsel, CBSE, has submitted that the results of the said examination is yet to be declared, and the results are expected to be so declared sometime in the month of May. Also, without deciding on merits the said contentions raised by the learned counsel for the parties, this court directs the respondents number
1, 2, and 3.
2 and 3,
1,
1, 2, and 3 to schedule a practical examination in the chemistry paper for the petitioner.
Petition number 2.
Petitioner number 2. Petition number 2. Petition number 2. On 28 29. You will also require some time because you may have to get
external examination has
29 at 29/4/2026 at 10 from 10 a.m. onwards.
Yes.
Let it be 30, Lordship.
No, 29. In the school campus of the
29.
Kendriya Vidyalaya, NIT, Silchar. This order would be communicated to the concerned respondents by the learned counsel for the respondents. The petitioner number 2 shall invariably appear in the said examination on the date so mentioned herein above. The results of the petitioner's Central Board of PSL School Certificates Exam,
Secondary education.
So-and-so examination, including the results of his practical examination, shall not be declared and shall be kept in seal cover. Also, until further orders from this court. Registry to list these matters again on when?
For final hearing.
Final hearing.
15.
10th, Your Lordship.
May 10th.
No,
May
12th, Your Lordship.
12. On May 12th.
April
12/5/2026.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Mr. Sharma.
Yes.
This is not something which this court has done. Without the sympathy shown from that side, this was difficult.
I'm ready to appear, my lord. Ready to.
So students should not suffer, Lordship. Because 2024, he is suffering from disease. They should inform the principal and CBSE. They have not been anything.
Also went to Bangalore also, my lord, Kolkata, Bangalore. There are a number of treatment documents.
That problem is
What you're saying is not a bouncer for me. I'm absorbing that. So don't make us further
From
statement.
class 1 to class 12, I am reading. in the
Oh,
same-
because you are a brilliant student. That's why we are with you.
We are also
That's
researching
why we
same
have
campus.
persuaded both of them to do this.
We are researching same campus, Malad, instead of that.
What is the father doing?
He's also associate professor of NIT, Malad.
Of NIT.
Yes, ma'am.
So then if he is an associate professor, should we give this long rope that we are giving you? He should know how exams are conducted. He should know how the modern day technology messages are communicated. If
27.
he was a normal someone, he's a special man. Should we? Should we? Mr. Sharma,
Some issues, Malad.
something else is there. What is it?
Principal and the guardian, Malad.
Some issue is there.
Between principal and the guardian.
Okay. Remind me of this.
Yes.
Because petitioner number 1 is the father. He is also before me.
Mother.
Mother.
Yes.
Father is not before
Father
me.
is not there in the scene.
She frequently visited my lot of people.
Okay, we'll see. Egos apart, the boy's life is more important. Yes. None appears for the petitioner on call. It is seen that on the last date of listing also, there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Accordingly, the petitioner. Accordingly, this court is of the considered view that the petitioner has lost interest in pursuing the present writ petition. Also, the writ petition accordingly stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, in this matter, complaint order was passed.
Compliance order. Hearing it after a long time.
But in this case, the petitioner services were provincialized with effect from 2011, 2012, my lord. That is why he is not under the
Order
full
violated
pension
is
scheme, my
page
lord.
32.
Page at 31, para 6.
32.
This is contrary with the directions. How can the fellowship pass that order?
Ms. N. Fukun, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has placed on record an order dated 23/4/2026 and has contended that the same has been so issued in compliance of the directions passed by this court wide order dated 5/2/2019 in WPC number.
In my case, lordship,
776015.
page 20, lordship, 7760/2015.
7760/2015. However, this said position is disputed by Mr. M. Khan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. He submits that the directions that wide the order dated 23/4/2026, that by issuing the order dated 23/4/2026, the respondents have violated the directions passed by this court, more particularly the directions as contained in para 6 of the said judgment. The said aspect of the matter would be examined by this court on the next date of listing. So a copy of the order dated so and so punished by Ms. N. Fukan is kept on record and
My
marked as X for the purpose of identification. Registry to list this matter again on 13/5/2026. I don't think you have complied. If this court said the earlier period added. Now, how can you say that no, we will not add it? That is direct violation. You should have gone upon appeal against that if that is a wrong order.
as because his service was
Be that as it may, madam, the decision of this court is there. How can you go beyond that? You go. How can I go? I can't. My own order, I can't go. I will not go. Next date, we will take a call. You're getting something now.
I'm getting salary under NPS and the contribution is going to NPS. No GPF account has been opened. This is 2020's contempt case.
You may have to file a case. We'll see.
Blah.
Yes.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of K.R. Padgiri. He has to leave the court because his mother is seriously ill. So
Prayer
my-
is made on behalf of Mr. K.R. Padgiri for an
Lordship.
matter on account of pressing personal inconvenience. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, the matter may come up as an admission matter because pleadings are completed.
Okay, we'll come. Today, Mr. Padgiri is in a very serious situation. We'll not pass any order.
We have filed our affidavit.
Next time we'll see. If it is orders also, if everything complete, I'll take it up for disposal. Don't worry.
Obliged, lordship.
But somebody's mother is serious, we'll not proceed with that. Yeah. Yes, Mr. Pathak.
My lord.
After a long time.
My lord, MSCP proposal, my lord, as per the school affidavit, my lord, has been already forwarded to the IS. But then what the director is saying is that we have not received it. They are communicating.
So why is it coming up for orders?
I don't know, my lord. The affidavit as such from affidavit from the department side is not filed.
Not filed.
Oh, that is different thing altogether.
But here, your lordship, on communication dated 12/2/2026 and previous dated also, your lordship.
It is seen
From DSC?
from the office notes as well as the orders passed by the Lauzima court. The service of notice upon the respond number 4 and 5 is complete. Mr. M. Khan, Learned Counsel, has already entered appearance on behalf of respond number 5. Also, in view of the above, registry to list this matter again on date 30. 14/5/2026 for admissions. Ms. Das to complete her instructions in the meantime.
In 5.
14/5.
I'm deeply obliged.
Yes, Mr. Bodley.
63, Lordship. Lordship, as per the Lauzima order dated 8/9/2025, Lordship, the respondent, service of the respondent number 5 is completed, Lordship. Malad, I'll need some time to file affidavit.
It is see, respond number 5 or respond number 4?
Respondent? Respondent 4. Respondent 4, Lordship, sorry, Lord.
See, as per the Lauzima court order dated 8/9/2025, the service of notice upon the respond number 4 is complete. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again for admissions on
Admission.
date 30. 14/5/2026
Admission column, Lord.
for admissions.
The interim order is there. Put interim.
No entry.
No, sorry.
Also, Mr. Das is at liberty to bring on record his stand by way of filing an affidavit. The stand of the respondent is represented by him by way of